All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, YouTube family. Welcome back to the Trader Shop. My name is T Hobbs. That guy over there is Jay Seals. This is the Trader Shop, and thank you guys so much for stopping by and giving us a little bit of your time. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. Turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. Justin is over here doing his best French rap dance.
It's not French, it's UK.
It's UK. Oh, it's the UK. My bad.
It's UK rap. Come on, man.
Anyway, it go. We got our UK rap beat going on this morning. So I hope you guys got some good sleep last night. I know I did. I took me a hydrocodone because my back was like flaring up. That's not a good fight. He said you need one. He said send some of those my way, bro.
I need one of them.
Jesus. No, you just gotta go. You just gotta tell them like they'll
I'm about to.
Yeah.
I'm about to.
I got a whole stash of painkillers in there. But anyway, that's a whole nother subject. I'm over here telling all my business.
I over here took a hydrocodone. Wait, they get those? I need one. I
got a whole stack of because
Oh, you done messed up, bro. I'm about
because I got spasms and stuff. So I don't take them like that. I just take them when my back get too crazy. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, yesterday was a great, crazy day. The Bulls was on their bully S. You know what I'm saying? And overnight, I took 2 losses in the overnight session back to back because I failed to believe in the Bears at all. I'm not even gonna lie. Like I broke a couple rules and I was like, I said, yeah, I know we didn't break above structure, but we're gonna retest and pop back up right here. Then I took the trade anyway, lost 4 points on the first trade. Then I took a second trade in basically the same area, lost 2 points. I just closed my computer and went back to sleep. I was down like 6 points. But I also took trades in the Tokyo session earlier, so I actually made money. So I'm green to start the day, but not as green as I normally start the day. But that being said, you guys know what time it is. Let's get into this pre-market plan. I got NQ, Justin's got ES, which is absolutely going nuts this week. So if you faded ES this week, I mean, if you faded anything this week, shame on you, at least to the bullish side. So let's jump right into this pre-market plan and I'll jump right into what my thoughts are. So let's go over here and you can see we're just going nuts. All right. So remember, I write these plans at 6:30, 7 o'clock, sometimes in the morning. This one I believe was written at like 6 a.m. I'm not sure, but the overnight session was lackluster price action, which we all saw. And we have found ourselves in a range at prior 4-hour supply. So this is the 4-hour supply that we were sitting in. And we were just ranging inside of the supply. Remember, anytime we break above major structure, which this was definitely qualified as major structure, we expect price to consolidate. And that's exactly what happened. If you watch this consolidation on bookmap, which I did at like 2 o'clock in the morning, it was an aggressive amount of selling to the point where I thought at some point we might pull back. But yeah, we just bought it all up. So we will need to trade above the all-time high at 12175 for this rally to continue. The first step was to come out of this range, which it looks like we've already done. I said after rallying over 800 points and pulling back less than 100, my money is still on the Bulls, right? Because we rallied I did the math, like over a 24-hour period, we rallied, I think, 802 points. And then this pullback was only like 80 points, which was insane. And that pullback took, I think, 12 hours to pull back 87 points. So I was like, well, clearly they're still buying it, right? Just do the math. Like they're clearly still buying. So my only bearish plan on the day is if we can't break above the all-time high, then I'll be looking at short week rallies. And I put that very lightly because I need to see some aggressive selling in order for me to start shorting this market. And even then, I'm probably just going to wait and look for pullbacks to go long. So if we get some pullbacks, I like to start with this 3-hour demand zone right here. Again, we were unable to even break below 18,000 last night. We barely broke it. It was like 17,995. So if we can get a pullback, I love to long the market and see buyers to defend this 3-hour demand at 17,925, 0.75 through 17,864. And we can look to long the market targeting the 4-hour supply or previous supply, because it looks like this thing's about to get cooked, all the way up to all-time highs at 18,125. Now, at this point, this area would be like a 200-point sell-off. So I'm more inclined to believe that this second area, a bullish break and retest above 12175 is what I'll be looking to play, right? I would love to see the market sell off. I just don't see it. I just don't see it. Until I see something change, I'm just going to follow structure, right? So my plan is look for a bullish break and retest above all-time high at 18121.75. And my target is the moon. That's basically what it is. So yeah, so that's basically my plan this morning. So I hope that helped you guys out. And let's jump right into ES.
Okay, so for ES, and I'm gonna talk briefly about NQ as well. But for ES, the plan is pretty simple. Right now, it's don't short ES. That's the plan. Not plan. So what I'm looking for right now is pullbacks. The first pullback is where we bounce from overnight and not really consolidated, but we found support overnight here and during the day. We came down to this area from about 50.9375 to about 50.91, and we held it. We bounced overnight and rallied. So I expect the market to, if it does come back down, to retest this area and hopefully to hold this area. The next level, if we continue selling, I would be looking for the market to hold is 50.76. That's a 90-minute demand zone that we created yesterday. And as you can see, we had straight up rallying. Shorts, I wouldn't want to short the market unless we broke below here and then came back up and put in that lower high. That's probably the only way I'd be looking for shorts, honestly. I am looking at the tape right now, and 51.15 has 686 orders sitting there. All that tells me is that big institutions probably want the market to go up to 51.15. That way they can get their orders filled. And then potentially go higher. I don't know. This liquidity's been sitting here since I started bookmap. So it's been sitting here for at least, 30, 35 minutes. So it's probably longer term liquidity that's going to be sitting there. The only other thing that I want to mention for everybody trading NQ is that ES has been the stronger name. Ha, I know. Funny, right? There's no way, because NQ's moved 80 points or 800 points and ES has moved like probably 150 to 200. Well, it's stronger. And I'm here to tell y'all why it's stronger. It's stronger because ES is currently well above the all-time highs from previous compared to NQ, which hasn't reached its all-time highs yet. So what does that tell me? That tells me that NQ is about to go to the moon, baby. We about to get like another 300 to 400 points. I'm just playing. I don't know how high it's going to go. But the fact that ES is so much further ahead of NQ means that NQ probably has way more room to rally. I know Hobbs has been screaming that, but it is true. The fact that the heavy tech sector of NQ hasn't rallied NQ further just means that NQ probably has much further to go. So one big indicator that I believe we all should be watching is NVIDIA, right? NVIDIA is driving the market. Wherever NVIDIA goes is where the rest of the stock market's going to go. Oh my God. So yeah, I'm going to be watching NVIDIA. I'm going to be watching NVIDIA very closely. And the only way I will be getting short today is if NVIDIA starts selling. Because if NVIDIA ain't selling, I ain't looking for shorts. Let's put it that way. I got to keep looking for longs. NVIDIA's got to do some amazing profit taking. I think what we were looking at, how was I saying NVIDIA? Yeah, NVIDIA's at 802 today. Like,
it already hit
just mind you,
in the pre-market.
But yeah, and it got up to 806 in the pre-market. Mind you, on Thursday, before the earnings, we were at 667, and we're at 802. This thing will be at $1,000 probably by like.
Yeah, they're gonna have to do a profit split by the time they report again.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They're probably gonna be like a $1,500 stock by the time.
That's why I said by the time they report again, they're gonna have to do a profit split. I mean, a stock split.
Yeah, NVIDIA to 1K. Yeah, I think.
Oh yeah, I mean we're too close not to go to. I mean, because you got to think of it from a market cap standpoint, right? Like NVIDIA's market cap is still only. Let me go to it real quick.
2 trillion?
I don't even think it's at 2 trillion.
1.94 trillion.
Yeah, so it's almost at 2 trillion. So you figure they're projecting that it's going to be bigger than Apple and Microsoft. Microsoft is at 3 trillion. So
yep, Microsoft.
That means that if Nvidia goes to 3 trillion, it's got to add another $1 trillion in market cap. Another $1 trillion in market cap is like another $400. Yeah, it's like $400 or $500 from here. So this thing could very well go to 1,200, right? Like, so just put that in perspective.
Yeah. So it'll probably it's getting to that point where retail traders are getting priced out of Nvidia. So they're definitely going to do a stock split, which will be good for Nvidia and good for option traders too. Because I haven't looked at the option chain for Nvidia, but I'm assuming it is expensive.
They just did a split in 22. Yeah, well, they're gonna do another one.
They'll do another one.
Anytime it starts to get outpriced by retail, like they want retail to buy it because they need to sell it to somebody when it gets too high. So they'll drop it back. They'll probably do like a 4-way split once it hits 1,200, which means it'll drop back down to like 300 a share.
Yeah, so, I could definitely see him do either a 4-way split or maybe a 6-way split.
6-way split that'll drop it down to 200. So
yeah, something that gets a little bit more reasonable, because right now I wouldn't be buying Nvidia at these prices, especially knowing that they're gonna split at some point. But Bray is in the building. I saw y'all had a conversation this morning because Hobbs doesn't sleep. Hobbs is up 24/7. I'm pretty sure he's turned into an alien. I think what he does is he plugs himself into the computer, so that way he gets charged and notifications for when prices at his area.
I'm just an addict, man. I'm an addict.
Oh well, it's the codon. Anyway, Cordy says good afternoon. SB says, yo, what up, SB? What up, Cordy? Boyd in the building. Good morning. Micaiah, good morning. Yvonne, hey Yvonne, when you can afford a barrel of oil, because I know it's coming because you've been killing oil. Oil been having crazy moves. Just send me some, bro. So that way I don't have to pay for my car changes. You just send me my oil. I'll be good to go.
You could actually do that, right? Like
I know you can actually do it, which I'm telling them. I know. I don't know the legality of all that, but I'm just saying, Yvonne, whatever you're ready to go ahead and just turn that in for some oil, just come holla at you, boy. You know what I'm saying? I use some oil for free. Going to the moon. We going to the moon, baby. Sharon, good morning. SB says shorts are coming. I agree. Shorts are coming. Yeah. Just not today. I don't know when. Love it.
Not
no shorts.
Today, sir.
Yeah. Shorts will be here. Shorts are coming. Every day you're going to say shorts are coming until they end up being here. I just don't think they're here yet.
Hold on, we gotta shape. My wifey jumps the line
periodically.
She said I take naps period. I do. So. All right, here's the trick. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna tell you guys because a lot of people be asking me like, when do you sleep, bro? Like, Ray was like, I get more Twitter notifications when the market's closed than like at midnight than I do when the market's open. I said, well, when the market's open, I'm teaching basically, right? Like, I'm educating, right? Like when the market's open, I'm on live stream teaching. Then when we're done here at 11, our day doesn't end. Justin and I go back into the Discord. We take like a little bit of a lunch break. We go back into the Discord and we're still trading, right? We're still teaching because there's still moments that you can learn from. Then when we get done there, I go get my kids or whatever. Well, I'll get done like, I don't know, 1 or 2. That 1 to about 4 o'clock before my wife gets home, 1 to 5 is where I usually find time to take a nap. So I'll sleep for about 2, maybe 3 hours. I'll pass out and then I'll get up, make dinner, do all that good stuff. Then I'm back in the lab doing the market review, charting, all of that good stuff. And then if I don't see anything, I'll try to take a trade, I don't know, maybe like 7:30, 8 o'clock. I'll try to take a trade around that time. Then I'll go to bed early, like 8:30, 9 o'clock. And then I wake back up at like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning to go try to trade the London session. And then from that point, if there's not, like this morning, there was nothing in the London. I took 2 losses. I just went back to bed at 2 a.m. I surfed the net for a little bit and then went back to sleep. I woke back up at like 5:30, made breakfast, and then made the plan. So that's pretty much my day. One of these days, I'll do a blog for y'all or something.
I think next week I might try to be a little bit more active at night. So like, because me, I just don't sleep. I have a problem. My bedtime is 2 o'clock in the morning. EST is normally when I go to sleep around.
You might as well take advantage of it.
Sometimes like 1.
What are you doing during that time? Watching YouTube videos? You know what I mean?
Like, well, so normally what I'll do, I'm full disclosure, my office is my bedroom, so I normally for now. We'll talk about it later. So I normally will like roll over and look at the chart and see where the charts are at, and I'll just be like, because I'll trade in the like that 8 o'clock time too. But normally I get caught trading at like 9 when the volatility is completely dead. I did that last night. I was so mad. I tilted a little bit and traded 5 minis and got myself back to break even. But it's all good, bro. Actually, 5 minis isn't that bad because I was only risking like $200. But anyway,
but yeah, I 2 points.
Huh?
Oh shit.
Yeah,
I guess you could do that in Tokyo. In Tokyo, you can do that.
Yeah, I was up like $500, and but the problem is that it's so irky jerky at night, and you know how they be it'll skip up. It skipped my stop up. I was like, no. I was like, close. Give me my time. But yeah.
SB says he just watched your video on Apex trading. Very helpful, man. Thanks. Yeah, really good video. Very detailed. I watched it this morning.
Yeah, I tried to put as much information as I could in there while trying to keep it not too long, because there's just, with these prop firms, there's just so much stuff. So I wanted to keep it like as simple as possible. I know a lot of people have trouble understanding that intraday trailing drawdown and how the drawdown actually works.
Yeah, so I think you did a really good job breaking it down with the examples and stuff.
Yeah, I had a whiteboard thing. Shout out to this app called Epic Pen. I was like, you know what? Let me use this and let me break.
I didn't actually watch the video. I just listened to it when I was in the shower. I was like,
I
didn't actually see the actual video.
Yeah, I had a whole
you turn on a YouTube video and you just go do something else.
I do that. I do that too. Yeah. So hopefully it cleared up some things for people too, because a lot of people don't like using Apex because of the intraday trailing drawdown. But I also have a video, shout out to Hobbs, because he's the one who gave me the idea to make it, on how you can actually see your intraday trailing drawdown real time on Tradeovate. So you never really have to worry about it.
And you can add that for anything. So like with Take Profit or Top Step, like whenever you're using Tradeovate, if you add that account thing, you can see your distance to drawdown on all accounts. It's not just for Apex. So
yeah.
Sharon says, just join the Discord. Shout out to you. Hold on, I'm trying to do this. There we go. Golly, we didn't push into 100. Yeah, so excited to have you in there. You just got to be active, Sharon. Like, we had a market review yesterday. Try to get in there, man. Ask as many questions as you can. I seen you tried that. You're doing the weekly trial, which is fine. I'm completely okay with that. But if you're gonna be in there for a week, make sure you get your money's worth, right? Like, make sure you ask as many questions as you can. Make sure you come to everything that you can come to. So it's all love. We're glad to have you, but make sure you're ready to work. So Apex video was fire. It helped answer so many questions on the process. Let's go.
Oh, thanks.
Good morning, Bud Yeti. Shane says good morning. Good morning, Shane. Boy says, yeah, Apex video, the best I've ever seen on PA accounts. Let's go. Fire. Yeah, it was dope.
I'm trying my best.
I thought I would spend my own pocket money, but no, the video explains everything. Yeah, no, the video is perfect. Bray says, man was trying to draw with his mouse. LOL. Great video.
I was Bray. That's the only way I can draw on this thing is with my mouse. I don't know any other way.
Yeah, it's on the channel. It's called Apex for beginners. Apex Trader Funding for beginners.
We got a lot of
videos on the channel. Just gotta scroll down, and we don't do a lot of look how much money I made videos yet. They're coming. Don't get it twisted, but we don't do a lot of those yet. We're just trying to focus on the education right now. So
yeah, I got a couple of like journey videos and stuff like that on there, but mainly like the videos that people want to see and the videos that give out like helpful information, especially when it comes to trading. Those are the videos that we're trying to push right now, because those are videos people want to see, right? Answering questions and being helpful as possible. But yeah, the journey is for the live. Oh my God, these bulls.
Yeah, I want to see this thing pull back a little bit. Jeez, maybe get that pull back in the maybe.
Nah, we're going for all-time highs. We're gonna break all-time highs before the market opens, or even if we don't before the market opens, I think we'll shoot right up to all-time highs.
I want to know if Pippy held his long all night. I think his mic's been. Pippy, is your mic working now? He's been in and out. Yeah, he's in here.
Oh, I know. I tried to short.
You held it all night, right? Yeah, because I was like, he was only in drawdown for like maybe a few points, because I was longing.
Wait, what was your target, Pippy? Because I thought you got in at 30.
Yeah, but Pippy uses like a 30-point stop.
Oh.
So like he would have got stopped out if we broke beneath 18,000. I know he wasn't going to let it stop him out for a measly point. and miss out on all of this. He let it ride. He said, I don't care what's happening. We're going up. I know. Yo, he just left. Pippy was like, I'm out. I'm not watching this. I'm gone. He just left me hanging. I was like, all right, I got stopped out For 4 points, got to stop talking. For 2 points, Pippi was like, I'm out of here. He just left
shorts
me.
are completely off the table. Jesus Christ.
Justin, go short this. Go short this.
No. We just broke above that last demand zone. We're going, or supply zone. We're going for all time. We're going to break all time highs before
but
the market opens.
Pippi, you know what was crazy though? When I woke up, when I went back to sleep and I woke up, you know what I thought about? Look at the first sentence of my plan. What did I say? I said we're in a range between 54 and 18,002. I said I want to look to long the bottoms and short the highs. And I was longing in the 20s. All I had to do was wait till we came down to 18,002 and this thing popped right on the dot. And right before I went to bed, I was like, look for longs at 18,006. I'm going to sleep, but that's where I think the longs are coming in at. And I believe yeah, but it was too late, man. I was on hydrocodone too. Like I was on painkillers.
Never trade on drugs, kids.
Don't trade on drugs. I was like, man, I gotta go back to bed. I was like, I'm way too high for this right now.
Oh, good Lord. Sharon in the building says, got it. I'm ready to work. I want to test it out for a week, but I see the value for longer term commitment. Let's go. Yeah.
Hey,
and you know what? That's not a bad thing either. Like I do that. I've done that in the past too. Like test something out for the week.
Justin is notorious. Don't let him lie.
I'm not paying the full
Justin
price.
is never paying full price. If you give him a weekly trial, he will go in there and steal everything you have in your Discord, and then he's leaving. He has no desire to stay beyond that week.
Shamelessly, I've done that before. I literally went in there. I recorded all the videos that they had, and I bounced. I was like, I'm out.
He said one free trial. Huh? He said 1 week free trial. All right, yeah, I'll be right back.
SP says, hey man, can I open up an Apex account from the UK? Yes, you can. But interestingly, and SB, you'll have to verify this for me, or just ask them. I had somebody comment on my video saying that Top makes people pay for their data. So they were paying like $100 a month or $50 a month for their account or something like that, or 75, something like that, something ridiculous. So, but yeah, they do. You can open one up in the UK. I would just ask them if make sure that you don't have to pay for the live data. They should be paying for that, not you. But yeah, you can definitely open up an account from the UK for sure. There's a lot of other traders around the world that use Apex that I haven't heard any problems from. So, but yeah,
watching for pullbacks in the 84 guys, potentially 96. But I would like to get a little bit more of a pullback than 96 because I feel like I'm just buying too high. So if we just skyrocket like this all morning, then I'll just wait for later to get pullbacks.
Yeah, I would like us.
Oh, and then Sharon, also the VC is open right now. So if you're available, you can jump right into the Discord and you can listen to us directly without the delay of YouTube. So that's going to be in the Stock VC channel. We can't hashtag it, but if you just look to the left, it's under stock market and earnings calendar. You should see a bunch of us in there already. If you just click on that Stock VC, you'll be able to see us. I mean, you'll be able to hear us real time, and you'll be able to view my book map as well as text or use your speech as well. So you don't have to watch us just on here with the daily thing.
You can yeah, you don't have to watch us with the other YouTube peons that get everything 2 minutes behind.
I knew you was gonna say that.
That's basically what he said. He said you don't gotta watch us with the homies on YouTube who aren't special. You can watch us.
You see how Justin trying to get me in trouble?
Hey, that's what he said, not me. Those were T Hobbs' thoughts.
I'll join Discord. Thank you. Yeah, you can join on Discord. It's the Stock VC. So every morning I usually add everybody. And I come in here at about 6:30. Justin rolls in at about 7:30-ish, something like that, 7:45. Yeah. But
I'll be here at 8.
But he be here. You know what I'm saying? He be here every day. That I can depend on. It's just, by the time he gets here, I've already done like 3 hours worth of work.
Yeah.
He's like, hey, I'm here, bro. Yeah, go ahead and ask your question, SB. That's fine. We got 5 minutes till open. So if it's a deep thoughted question, then hey, I'll do my best. Good to know. I'll join on Discord. Yeah, no problem.
I can't believe you called 29 other people some peons, man.
I did not. I did not call them peons. You
crazy.
Totally called them peons. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna get that pullback. We're pulling right back into 100. Like, yep, nope, that's it. That's the only pullback you're getting. What's going on, Emmett?
Oh, I'm so mad. I'm so mad at you.
Me?
Yeah, not bad. It was just you and Emmett last night was funny. Oh my god, you was like, stop it. You know you gonna trade. Emmett, you take trade.
Like, look, I let him talk all serious for so long, and I was just like, the whole time he was talking, I was just like, okay, you done? Okay, good. Because nobody here believes you that you're not gonna take a trade.
I believed him. I believe in him. I believe in you, Emmett. I believe if you don't want to trade today, you're not going to trade. I believe in you, bro.
Justin's trying to make me look bad, calling the non-Discord people peons.
He said it, not me. He was like, yeah, so, if you don't want to be with all the people who aren't special over here, then, you can just go ahead and hop in the Discord, because that's where I was like, dang, okay. All 29 other people aren't special, apparently.
Learning from videos or are doing one-on-one classes. I would say we're all of the above, honestly. Like, every time somebody has a question about something that I feel, because we're a new Discord, right? So we have structure in our Discord and all that good stuff, and I'll direct you on the videos, but we have a beginner's course, right? Like, let's say, I think yesterday you said you were a beginner. So like, I almost forgot about these videos because 90% of the people that join aren't direct beginners. But for the direct beginners, we actually did videos like a year ago. And you'll see Justin's all skinny. He don't got a mustache. He ain't got no beard when he made the videos.
What kind of shot was that?
You just took it. You just told me I called my people peons, so I had to shoot back. So wow. There's candlestick structure videos in there. Some we made ourselves. Some we just grabbed from YouTube because we were like, yeah, these are really good videos. There's no sense of us recreating the wheel. Like, these are really good reference videos. This is what we learned on. So we got candlestick patterns in there. We got the basics of candlesticks in there. We have a quiz in there that Justin created, breaking down support and resistance. We have supply and demand videos. We have market structure videos that I created. Yeah, we got everything in there, man. And then, like, every time I hear something that people may not want, I left my Theraflu in my car. Oh, my poor baby. Wait a minute. I know you're not asking me to bring you Theraflu. I'm sure there's a Walgreens like right around the corner from there.
No,
we don't get a decent pullback on my hands. Yeah, I mean, we've rallied way too much in the. I think we're gonna go much higher. I told you guys. Y'all may think I'm crazy, but I'm gonna tell y'all anyway. I think we're going to 21 to 22,000, and nobody can convince me otherwise. I don't think that's happening today. I just think that by the end of the year, I think we're gonna look back and be like, dang, 20, 30%. We're usually in a bull market year, we rally 30 to 40%. We're only up 10% on the year. So
it's barely been 2 months in the year.
That's my point.
I don't. Yeah, no. You said 20 to 30%, but if we rally 20 to 30% in the year, we're up 10% in 2 months. Yeah. and we could be going much. This could be 100%. What if this is 100% rally year?
But remember, if you go back to, and this is what my thesis was, if you go back to the .com bubble, we didn't rally 30%. We rallied 40 to 50% that year because we were in a bubble. Well, what do you think NVIDIA is? It's an AI bubble, right? Like, this is literally a repeat of that year. If we rally another 50, if we rally 50%, we're going to be at like 23, 24,000 on the Qs. And ES might be at 6,000. My daughter's going to be so rich.
Yeah.
Jesus.
When ES has a $10 day, that's nuts. But hey, I like this. I like what you're saying here. Said, sorry, man, I'm not being rude, which you're not being rude at all. Don't worry about that.
No, that's not what you get in our Discord. Don't worry about it.
Wait,
listen.
No. Hobbs already called everybody a peon in here, so you can't be more rude than that. The market is open, by the way. Right. But yeah, no, we don't have any videos that are 15 hours long.
We don't have courses either. Like, we just teach,
that's
man.
True too. Yeah, like, and to be completely honest with you, like, most of the time, all you got to do is just, like, whenever Hobbs is in VC doing his market review, or if I'm in VC, all you gotta do is ask, and like we'll go back through and answer whatever, or go through whatever you want.
The same way we are on YouTube, we're even more thorough in Discord. Justin and I both have certifications from the Navy as teachers, right? Like, we were certified teachers in the Navy. Like, the Navy makes you become a certified teacher. Don't think I'm special. I'm just saying. But I actually went to like a course and got a certification for it. But anyway. The reason why we are the way we are is because we're used to breaking things down Barney style. right? And making sure everybody gets it. So you can never annoy me, right? With teaching you things, multiple times, but a full-blown course, no, we don't have a full-blown course. We have multiple videos breaking down things that I feel key in whatever way you want to trade. It needs to be based on market structure, right? Whether it's ICT, support and resistance, supply and demand, trend line breaks, break and retest, whatever it is, it needs to be based on market structure. So the majority of our mentorship, I would say, right, or our guidance is based off market structure. Dang, you got to move your screen down, bro.
Oh, on the left side, yeah. I wasn't even paying attention to this side. I was looking at the 1 minute.
Yeah, we're never getting into this. We're never getting into this market. The market priced us out already.
Well, we just broke above all-time highs again.
Come on, bro. This is crazy. Look at, and the volume's like going fast too. Like, look at the tape. There's no red bubbles. There's no red volume bubbles on the tape. Like, none. This is crazy. I'm not buying all the way up.
I've been watching videos since the past few weeks, and I understand a lot more. That's good. Thanks for the answers. Let's trade and make some money now. Facts, 1000%. Yeah, I'm still just waiting on a pullback now.
Man, I'm not jumping in this thing. This thing is going nuclear. I need like, even I'm not this crazy. Like,
Well, I mean, ES went. Yes, I knew it. I knew they was going to. They went and filled that liquidity.
Just passed my ETF account. Good job, Zenith.
Yeah, they just went and filled that liquidity up there at 15 and then continued to rally.
It's nuts, man. This thing's going.
Let's check. Let's see. Do we have any 15-minute?
Hey, Pippi, you up about 100 points right now, ain't you? Pippi killing this damn thing.
Oh, come on, don't do this to me,
bro. Yeah. He was in before I got in. Well, he was in after I got in, but the market was just pulling back on him something crazy, so I just went to bed. I was like, all right. And I think he left too. He was like, I'm gonna just leave the trade on because I know we're going up. It's just trying to mess with me. And I told him, as long as we didn't break below 18,000, I think we were going right back up and higher. And we tapped 18,000 this morning. Is that the NASDAQ candle on the 2 hour?
Yeah, on the 2 hour. Yeah, I'm just making this a demand zone real fast.
Yeah. Yeah. This if this continues like this, guy, there's no way I'm touching this high. We need to at least put. I mean, come on, market. Just get rid of all supply zones. Like, they make no sense at this point.
Well, we're above all-time highs, so we don't have any more supply zones left. Good morning, Mosley.
The question is, Hustle for Life, when you got in at 18,005, did you just take 10 points or did you let this thing ride?
You know he took his 10. Come on now. Don't even ask him that question. We know he good for 10.
He bought the bottom, bro. When he said he got in at 18,005, I said, this man gonna sell it 15, and this thing is about to go. I know.
Come on, you know he got his 10.
Bro. Hey, you traded a live account too, bro. You could have just went to break even. You could have went to 18,005 and just went to break even and never would have lost on the trade.
Hey, it
never
account?
Came back to 18,005, bro. Never touched it again. And I gave you that entry nice too. Fire.
Dang.
Fire entry.
Dang, you got in well at the you got in at like 5 o'clock this morning,
absolute bottom. Yeah, if you look at the chat, I went to bed, and before I went to sleep, I said watch for longs at 18,005, and I think we dropped to like 18,000, and then we popped up and retested 18,005, or I think I said 18,006 or 7, something. Anyway, it was close. And then when I woke up this morning, I saw Hustle for Life took the trade. I just laughed. I said, I know this man, and I know he sold for 10 points. I know it. Like, there's no doubt in my mind. He sold for 10 points and watch this thing rally 100 points, 130 now.
Yeah, this thing is.
When you're in the direction of the trend, and you're technically at the bottom, because that was that entry that I gave out was the bottom of the range. That's why I was like, if we break this, we got to go down lower. But if we hold here, we're just going to go back up and break that high. And once we tapped it, I was like, oh, I think I saw the selling pressure right before I went to bed. It was like 4 o'clock in the morning or 3 o'clock in the morning, my time. And I was like, all right, this could be the level. And then, oh yeah, because I saw the push out right before. Yep, because I even took a picture of it. Watch for longs at 8. Yep, I saw the push out right before I went to sleep. And I was like, there's no way I'm getting up and trading this, but this is a good potential long here. And jeez. Anyway, market is doing market things right now.
I'm gonna say this. I think we come down. Please come down. I just pray, Lord Jesus, bring the market down so I can long it. Huh?
I said, yeah, we're gonna come down at some point. I'm just not in no that
right, either. Like, I'm trying to be here all day.
I know for look. I know. Yo, I'm trying to trade, but I'm not trying to trade all the way up here, bro. Like, come back. Come back.
Market come back.
No, you imagine a 4,500
I'm watching the time in sales right now, and the market they're literally just buying.
There's no sellers.
There's
no sellers.
I mean, there's sellers, but they're just buying this. They're continuing.
They're profit takers.
Yeah, well,
look at this. They just keep buying. Look at this. I'm looking at the tape. I'm like, this buying's not going to stop anytime soon. He said, "Oh my god, my mental capital is not for this smoke today." Yeah, right.
I might be a bear. I might be a bear just to be a bear.
Hold on. Dang, hold on. Pause for the calls, man. We gotta celebrate. Hold on, we're gonna hit this.
Yeah, I think we're at the most we've ever been at right now.
47 people in the live stream today. Shout out to everybody in the building for showing support to the Trader Shop. Guys, you guys don't even know how much this means to myself and Justin. We did crypto. We did crypto for like, you're not peons. We did crypto for like over a year, and we were building based off the strength of other people. And we never got to the point where we could consistently have 40 plus people in here. When we first started the Trader Shop, we told ourselves that we were going to organically grow, right? And we were just going to do it step by step. And we used to have like 3 to 5 people in here. And the day ones know who they are, right? Some of them are already in the Discord, right? But to get to the point where we see 40 plus people in here every day is a straight up blessing. So I personally want to thank all 47 of you for watching us, go along with our journey, go through the education, all that good stuff. And please make sure you tip the barbers, continue to support, hit that like and subscribe button. That's all we really ask. And if you guys want additional education, obviously we do have the paid Discord for $40 a month in the description below, but that's irrelevant. Keep watching us for free. We'll be on here for a full year. We appreciate you guys. So, Justin.
Yeah. I mean, I couldn't say it any better. I mean, I think when we were doing crypto, like it was fun. But it was also really stressful. Like, I don't know, like it was extra stressful every single day. And this is just like free. And, I think, I appreciate each and every one of y'all, because like every day y'all show up, you know what I'm saying? Like, and support, and it just feels nice that we're taking this journey together. Like the one thing about trading is it's super lonely, you know what I'm saying? Like everybody's going through different things, and the one thing that I love about building community is that we can all support each other, whether we're going through the good times or the bad times, because trading is up and down. So that's what I'll say. And then real fast, and then shout out to Pippi and Yvonne, because their Twitter space is fire. And if y'all haven't gone to it, y'all need to go, because again, about building that community and building and not taking this journey alone, because every time I go in there and I'm listening to other people speak, I'm like, dang man, like I've gone through that, or damn man, I'm going through that right now. You know what I mean? It just gives you that sense that, I'm not going through these, I'm not feeling these feelings by myself. Like I'm feeling these feelings and other people feel them too. So it's normal, right? Like everything that I'm going through trading is normal, because like
everybody
if you haven't traded, well, that too. But like if you've never traded before, then you'll never, like you won't understand what I'm going through, right? Like I was talking to my wife the other day, and she's like, "Oh, how was your trading day?" I was like, "Yeah, it was all right. Like I did good on one account. I did kind of bad on on the other accounts, but I'm not tripping about it. And she's like, oh, you lost money? I was like, yeah, I mean, I lost a little bit of money, but it's all good. It's whatever. She's like, you're not normal. You're weird. Like, I'm like, yeah, that's true. I was like, I just don't care. Like, but for her, if I told her how much money I was down in my account, she'd go crazy. You know what I'm saying? But for me, it's like, it's another day in the park. Like, it is what it is, right? I wasn't always like that, but I'm beginning to be more and more like that. It's just funny to me. But when you go into the trading community and you hear some of these losses that people have, like there was one dude, Vincent Desiano, he lost 10K this week. He ain't bad.
Didn't even flinch.
He ain't bad. He's
like, all right.
If I told my wife, if I told my wife that he was down 10K, she'd probably faint. She'd be like, "In what world?" But at the same time, if I was like, "Yeah, up, $300,000 on the year, what's 10K?" You know what I'm saying? So, traders are just built different. So,
Hustle for Life. Can you mute your mic, sir? All right, so one of my pre-market plans was to break above all-time highs and play the retest. It looks like we got the retest at 123, but I mean, I just, as much as I did write that plan, I just don't want to trade it this high. Like, I just don't. Like, I just can't. I cannot do it. It's too high. Like, my plan was get a bullish break above the all-time high and then come back and retest it. And then I'll look to take it long into the moon, but I just can't. I can't take that plan. And I know later when NQ's at like 300, I'm like, dang, I probably should have took that entry, but I can't do it. I can't do it.
What is going?
What's going on, Chicago, Sean? Purple Haze in the building. Voice says facts. We all. Tape. He said, voice says facts. We all humans in the same market, same chart, same feelings, 100%. My friend lost 40K. Yeah, I mean, I made 70K in a day. All right, here we go. Come on down. I made 70K in a day, and I think I lost 20K in a day. Right, so like 20 or 30,000 in one day. Yeah. It does not. It feels really good to make 70,000. It does not feel good to watch it go to 50. Let me just tell you that. I said, that's it. Get my money. I'm out of here. So yeah, I've hit some pretty big numbers. That was in my option days. You know what I mean? So, hey, good morning. Good morning, Sharon. How are you? I see you in the Discord down there. Sharon has made it safely, guys. She is safe. 70K is no flexing now. No, but again, when I made 70K, it wasn't because I was a good trader though, right? It was because I participated in some DGen shit, right? Like I made 70K while trading AMC options, but I was smart enough to follow somebody who knew what they were doing, right? Like I was following I used this knew what he was doing lightly because now that I know how to trade, like he does not know how to trade. But
who was Matt Kors?
Matt Kors, yeah. But he definitely knew to keep buying call options, right? Because it was like the ape world. So I started buying call options just to give you guys a little insight. I started doing my research on call options. I started buying call options on AMC when it was $12 a share. And like shortly after it went to 72. And I was like, I'm cashing the fuck out, right? And I had like 10 grand. So I started buying when I was up like 10 grand. Plus I had margin. From Robinhood. So I was in a bag heavy. And then after I made all that money from AMC, I was like, oh, I can't miss. I started playing Tesla options. I started playing some other stock. It was like a weed stock. And I was buying options for months out and just watching my 20K. I would put like 10 or 15K in one option. Oh, when this goes up, I'm gonna be worth 100 bands. I would just watch it every day, waking up sick to my stomach. Oh, it's down some more. Oh, it's down some more. And then the time just slowly dissipated.
Oh, Lord.
I know, bro. It's ridiculous. It bounced right off all-time highs, though.
The
exact trade that I was looking for happened, but
I wanted it to go lower, though. Like I was hoping it would get down to the hundreds.
I just can't do it. If you took the pre-market plan, good on you. I can't long this market this high. I need more of a pullback. But we're basically creating that overnight, right? If you look over here, overnight, we basically just created a 4-hour demand zone. It's probably a daily demand because we sat down here for basically a full day.
Okay, Pippi.
What happened?
Oh, he sent a trade idea.
Let me see. Oh, where? Oh, he must put it in this chat.
It was in the
I see
the
it.
BC chat.
Sheesh. He's scaling out. That's what he's doing.
Oh,
he's scaling out.
He said, "I thought you closed your position at night." No, options the options are different than futures. We'll explain. If you come into the Discord or catch us in another time, we'll explain options. It's a lot different than futures. It's not.
As we grow in the Discord, by the time we get off of YouTube, right? We'll teach you guys how to trade options as well, because once we understand structure, we can trade anything, right? But my goal is when I come back to trading options, I'm only going to be looking for, weekly or monthly, or even, not yearly, but weekly or monthly options. Nothing shorter than a week, just because I'm going to be looking at price and reading and trading off a higher time frame structure. Like my options trade, if I was looking to long this market or buy call options this market, right? This low down here that I was saying, hey, it's a good opportunity to long the market. I'm going to start buying call options as soon as I see this print right here, right? Or I might start buying them as we're going down, because I'm buying them for longer time. I'm expecting us to hit all-time highs again, but I'm buying monthlies and weeklies. So if I'm buying, let's say this was a call option, this was SPX or something, right? And I start buying calls when we're at 500 and we drop to 360. I'm in a little bit of pain, but I got so much time on the options. The options are getting weaker and weaker. But if I understand structure, I know that there's a good chance that we could come all the way down here. But I don't want to wait till we come down here, because they're going to be more expensive because it's NVIDIA day, right? So I want to start loading into my options back here when everything's flat, the volatility is flat. And then when this happens, oh, you think you can make some money on futures. If you started buying the Qs, call options down here before this volatility picked up, and then we shot up here, oh, you're in the money big time. But yeah, options and futures is two totally different things. But just in regards to price action, like guys, there are ways to trade this, right? I understand how to trade it. I just have zero desire to trade this when we've rallied above all-time high to start the day. Like, I'm not doing that, right? We've already had rule of thumb. Shout out to Dave Teaches. A lot of the things that they notice is rule of thumb. We usually get about, I don't know, maybe like 4 to 6 swings before we reverse. So if you just count the swings, right, the dips, the higher lows, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, potentially 5, right, and this one, if you want to count it, that's 6. That's a recipe for nope, I'm not touching this. I'd rather wait for these swings to be done, and you can already see we're starting to reverse on the 6th swing. So that's why I have no desire to trade up here.
I feel like we have more swings than that when you start even coming down to where we bounce. Like this market has been taken off. They got to sell it at some point. We just changed character right there potentially on the 1 minute. So
yeah, I'd rather wait for a previous day high tap or something in this area right here. If I can get that 5 minute demand zone right there, that'd be nice. That area is
them zero DTEs. You know what's funny, Zenith, is that when we first started trading options, they only had zero DTEs Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays.
That is true. I forgot about that.
And QQQ. They didn't. When I stopped trading options is when they started putting zero DTEs every single day, because they knew how much money they could make off of DGens trying to not game the system, but so it was pretty interesting. But yeah, those days was fun. And
I'm watching. I see the double bottom at 105 where all that consolidation is. I like 87, because look at the 5 minute. You see that demand, that rally-based rally we formed right there. I like to play those nice little demand zones. And if we're going to come down pretty aggressively, which it looks like we are, I'd rather wait till we come down to previous day high and this 5 minute demand, basically between 91.75 and 77 is where I would like to trade it. I don't want to trade it here because I feel like, I think we're going to come down a little further, just how aggressive we came down off that candle there. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, that's kind of the way I'm looking at it. See how aggressive we're coming down. I want us to push back past this structure and come back down to this this previous day high tap. I'll be interested down there. Go down to the 5 second. Yeah, but the other level, you're right. On the 1 minute, we got this consolidation that we're sitting in right now. We could be getting ready to tap and go. I hope we don't. I don't want to trade.
This is where I was looking along initially.
Yeah, I don't want us to go right here. I want us to keep going down, but we might tap and go right here.
Yeah, this looks like could be an inverse head and shoulders here forming on the 15-second chart potentially. If we can hold this.
Yo, yeah, I got my playbook ready. I already know what I'm looking for, but I don't want to trade it here. If this trade leaves without me, I'm gonna pass on this trade. I think it might go though. I don't want it here. I want it a little lower.
They just gave up the they just gave up that liquidity, which is kind of interesting.
All right, as long as we stay below 115, I think it'll keep coming down. I mean, not 115. 119.
I'm looking for us to close above 113 and then come back down.
Yeah, I'm not seeing.
Mm-mm.
All right, here comes that aggressive buying to come in.
Y'all, I was almost in. I almost bought 5 minis right there. I didn't go lie. And I'd have been in and out real fast.
Man, these bulls, man. God.
They ain't got no chill.
No chill, bro. All right, here we go.
See if we get that retest.
If we close above here, though. I want to see if we close above here. I'm not. None, bro. None. I want to see us reject here and then trade back down. I wanted to. Now I'm effing tight. Tell me why I was on demo.
Oh no!
No, Pippi, no. Yo, he said it that thing all night on demo, bro. He said, now I'm upset. Hey, at least you know you can hold now.
It's funny. Your best trades come on demo. Like, hey man, your best trade.
Hey, this market's out of here, bro. I was being too freaking picky.
Yeah.
No, come on down. Come on down. I'd be sick. I want to see this thing flush. So we getting this choppy McChop up here. I want to see us just flush straight down. But if we hold this level, we're just going to continue to push up. I want to see us flush down from here. Oh yeah, people that are not being patient right now, because they buying the FOMO people have already bought in, and they don't know that they just might get cooked up here. Yeah, because it keeps faking like it's gonna break up here. It makes me feel like we're about to push back down. But these buyers are in here. I just want a deeper pullback. I think we might get it. Come on, break it. There you go. There we go. Come back down. There we go. All right. Now I'm interested. Break that low and then come down to 87. That's where I want to trade. Please don't bounce here. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't bounce here. Get below this low. Come on. There you go. Now break below 102 and come down to 87. Don't bounce here. I don't want to buy here. Come down. No, God, no.
Uh-oh.
No, it's got to hold below 116 now. we can hold below 116, then we'll trap more aggressive FOMO buyers. Yeah, I've seen this movie before. So this used to be me. I used to be that FOMO buyer that bought. I would have bought that candle so fast, like it's going. Zip. Zip. All right. Now we hold below 16 and then we break below 103. So we're holding below 116. Now let's break 103 and then head back to 87 is what I want. All right, coming down to 87. Oh, very aggressively, which is what I like to see.
Yeah, Nvidia's taking a bit of a tumble too.
Yeah, this is exactly what I want. I want us to sweep down. All right, there's the top of 87. Let's see how we act inside of this box here. If we crash straight through, I'm not interested, but this is the sweep I wanted to see. Man, who you telling, bro? I'm over here like, yes. I'm so excited. Keep dumping. Yeah, I don't like that. I'm not gonna enter if it keeps flushing like this. No way. All right, dropping past that level. All right, so that's whoa. Look at this 15-minute candle. All right, cool. All right, so what's the next level we can look for here? Hang on. Low and high here. All right, bet. All right, I'm looking at 42. If we can't hold 42, then we're just gonna come all the way down at 981, which I'd be completely okay with.
Oh wait, how does this 2 hour look? Oh no, this 2 hour is not a zone anymore. I'm gonna get rid of this 2 hour.
Yeah, they cooked the previous day high. Let's see how far they want to drop it. Most. Nope. All right, let's see if this holds here. This is looking good. If we can get this lower high to be printed. I don't like that. I don't like that V-shaped recovery stuff. Don't do that.
What you know about this one?
5 second is juking over here. I could have been up 15 points already. Oh man, today is a drop base drop day. I mean a rally base rally day. Because we got the print. If you look at the 5 second, I don't know if you guys saw that little message I wrote in Discord today. Sometimes we get those sometimes we get a day where hang on a second. Yeah, and we just got it. First of all, why is he talking to me this early? Why is he talking to me this early right now? All right, I like that. Double bottom, 5 second. We're still in a downtrend, but I do like the double bottom right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna let this push out and get some type of change of character or something. That selling was super aggressive.
I'm up 10 points right there, and at 71. See if we can't push out of here. There we go. I don't like that shit. Give me my 10 points, bro. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Nah, not me. Not with that jank. Not with this janky price action down here. I was like, yeah, give me my 10 points. All right, quick little scalp right there in the middle of this downtrend. Let's see if we hold these lows or we go ahead and push back down lower. If not, I'll take it for another 10. Looks like we pulled into this consolidation right here. If we can't break these lows, I'll jump right back in for another quick 10. Nope. Still wants to come down. She still wants to come down. Let her keep coming. Yeah, let her keep coming. All right, next level I'm looking for. That was a quick scalp right there. We just scalped this quick candle for another 70. I call it 71 into 81. Got up out of there. Yeah, as soon as I saw the double bottom, I just hit the button. I was like, that'll work. I know that's good for 10. But I'm looking. Yeah, I've waited long enough. Give me my 10. Looking for 43 now. 43, I want to see what we do down there. Unless we want to hold 55 right here. See if we double bottom again here. Got that same look. Yeah, there's no buyers on the tape right now, but yeah, I see enough. Take it for a quick 10. Stops at break even. In at 62. Done. Out. Very nice. I know where we are. We're in this little consolidation, and I probably could have held this one for a little longer because we got the sweep, but I wanted to just get the 10 and go. If we come back down one more time, I'll go ahead and take it. And I'll show you guys on the stream exactly what I'm looking at. Let me go down to the 5-second chart so I can show you guys what I'm looking at. And you'll be able to see it much clearer on the 5-second. You'll see why I'm taking these entries quickly. And I probably should have held that one. That was the long, right? I was in at 62. So we should come back down one more time though. Hopefully.
Yep, that's what I'm waiting on.
Yeah, we should come back down one more time. Maybe tap 69 and then come back up. Good job. Good trade. Remember, we're at the supply zone right now, so this is a good area to get out on the 5-second. I'll show you guys what I saw here in a second, but the tape looks clear, like we're going to continue to push. I want to see a swift move back down to 69, and I'll take it long again at 69. This time I'll look to hold it. I think the low is put in down here at 55. Which ironically sounds really familiar from yesterday. 1855 feels like a level that we struggled at yesterday. Was that a strong level from yesterday? Yesterday, right? That number sounded really familiar. Oh, it's the range from yesterday. It's the top of the range from yesterday. Oh, we should have held. Oh my God, I didn't see that. I didn't see it. Oh, I was like, why does 55 sound so familiar? All right, no, if we come down one more time, we should be able to get an entry at 69, maybe. But that was definitely the bottom. Damn. That's all right. We let him off the hook. Let him off the hook. All right, hang on, guys. We took this quick scalp right here. We had our inverse head and shoulders right there. Dang, yeah, we had it, bro. We had him. We had him off the hook. We had him and we let him off the hook. All right, come on down to 69. Come, just drop one more time, and then we'll take it. I'm putting in a limit order. I'm not missing this.
Looks like we're consolidating. I'm hoping we push down one more time too, but we're consolidating.
I just want to push down to 69. That's it. But it doesn't look like we're gonna get it. The tape doesn't look like it wants to push down at all, and we're above that supply zone now. We might just go. Come on, give me one clean push down to 69. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, you need to stop some people out. We might not go below 80 though. See that wick down there, that inverse head and shoulder?
Yeah, I mean, we should come on the 5-minute.
All right,
if we get this 5-minute inverse head and shoulders, I should be able to hold this for a minute. That's what I'm banking on.
I just want one pull back to 69. It seems like if I was in this long at 62, we would 1000% pull back to 69 by now. Because I'm waiting on 69. Market's like, just come get it up here in the 80s. Get it up here in the 80s. No, I'm not.
Yeah, well, you can get it here. Risk 20 points.
No.
Pull the Pippi special. Come on. Come
on. Stop it. Come on.
Come down. I wanted to miss all that other action so that you could pull back down, and you don't want to do it. There you go.
Don't come down too fast. I'll take this limit order out fast and you can blink.
Come on.
8 more points here. Come on. You can do it. If you're looking at the tape, we're basically looking for a retest of all of this liquidity where the market got pretty aggressive buying wise. We are kind of trading against the overall trend right now. So this could backfire on us, but at the same time, we're betting on the bigger trend. Don't you do it. Don't you do it.
This is the 7. We just tapped the 70% right there. So this might be.
Shut up, Justin. This is not going to happen. We're going to come down to 50, baby. Come on. Come on. No. I want in because I know whenever this does get going, it's going to go and break above all-time highs. No. Oh, that's a double bottom. Little double bottom forming down here. I just want one more sweep. Just sweep it down and come up. And go down. Damn. You can do this, sellers. I got faith in you. There we go.
All right, coming down. Next is to 50. Woo!
All right, there's 68. Woohoo! Look at her go. Pop right down to 69. Y'all see that? Right down to 69. Yeah, let's see if we hold it, though. Let's see if we push from here. Yeah. It's only 2 points away. The low is only 67. Yeah. Yeah, 69 was probably as low as we're gonna go. Come on, push out of there. Look, at this rate, we might be stopped out before you come back. We gotta hold this low though. If we can hold 67, we'll keep going. But we're going against the trend. We're just expecting this to push out. You can't get a trade on?
Why can't you place a trade?
All right, stopped out right there for 4 points. Looks like the market wants to go down lower, so I'm just going to let it continue to push. We were up a little bit, but I wanted to see if we can get the push completely out of here. But you can see on the tape that the buyers just aren't coming in, right? Mm-hmm. The sellers are continuing to push down. So I'm just going to back away until I can find like aggressive sellers actively coming into the market. This was a pretty strong rejection up here at the high. So if we push back down to these 50s, if we can hold 50, then I'll look to re-enter. But I need to see buying coming into the tape, and we're not seeing that yet. Yeah, see, market wants to continue to come down. Let's see if we hold this level. We need to hold here.
There goes the buying. We just swept.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, did you give it the exact low, like all the way down? Oh, okay. I thought you were giving it the yeah. That's what I should have done. Yeah. I hear you. Yeah, that was a good entry. As long as we held this low down here, I think we were good to go. That's what I should have done. I should have gave it the back of this zone, because if I would have got in at 69, I could have gave it the back of this zone and been fine. Because you're right,
we still might push back down one more time.
Yeah, we still could. That's the bet, right? Like, that's the bet that's out there. That's the trade. That's the trade. Caught the long at 62. Nice. Dang, nice bottom. Nice bottom tick. That's a damn good entry. Better than my entry. Why are we risking shorts when the whole market is going up? We're not shorting the market. Bro, how fast you cooking, Hobbs? Yeah, I was in and out, bro. I was jabbing. No,
I didn't short the market.
Nobody shorted the market. We were looking at scalps right there, because I knew we were gonna have opportunities to scalp. But now I'm trying to hold this one a little longer. I'm in at 72 and just trying to hold. I'm just gonna give it the back of the zone as well. I'm basically giving it this push, this entire back of this zone right here to go. Because if this doesn't go, then I'll just switch accounts and be done with this thing. Yeah, we need to hold this low.
These bears.
Yeah, they're getting aggressive here. Let me check the VIX. VIX still ain't agreeing with this.
Boom, 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 boom.
All right, moving my stop up behind that structure right there. 64. All right, get your butt out of here.
Sleep up, boom, boom.
All right, now risk is down to about 7 points, but if we reject here, I'm probably going to flatten the position, because I want to see us start to trade above that 5 minute supply zone right there. If we can trade above, what is this? I want to see us start to trade back above 92, or else I'm going to flatten this position. Looks like the bulls are coming back now, though.
City pop, boom, boom.
All right, up about 10 points. I'm gonna go to break even, just to secure no losses right here, just because I don't have faith. I don't know if we're gonna have enough juice to push through, but we should. If we reject 87, we're gonna come right back down. Yeah, where that energy at? Exactly. All right, I'm taking 10 right there. I'm out. I'm out of this thing. I just don't have faith in the bulls that they can push out further than where we are right now, because we're just struggling so hard at 87. I'd rather take the 10 and bounce. If we push out, then I'll look to re-enter. This 5 minute candle looks deadly right now.
Yeah, it definitely does.
Yo, what are they doing right now? We're back in New York, guys. We're back in New York. We're back in New York. Let me take a look. Yeah, I did. I was gonna cut it, but I didn't really cut it. I was my finger was on the trigger, and I was like, hold on. I was like, hold on. Like, if this thing just holds, I think we'll be okay. And I'm like, I'm out of this. I was like, you know how you like,
well,
if you
were listening to Hobbs and you got scared out of your position, then
is this coming from Mr. Mayday? Coming from Mr. Mayday?
I was reading his name. Y'all haven't dropped that yet?
Nope. His name is Yeet.
It was Yeet Mayday. I said his name. It was
Never.
Mayday. It was Mayday.
Never let
Yeet.
it go.
So I said, "Oh damn, Mayday." That's what I said. I said, "Damn, Mayday."
We got yeeted from you. Justin yeeted me out of my position.
I ain't get you out of nothing. I said, "Damn, Mayday." That was a nasty rejection at swap though.
Oh,
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday.
See? You see what he does? You see what he does? Yeah, 87 just makes me nervous. 87 just makes me super nervous. But when I say nervous, like, I'm not really tripping because I'm up on the trades and I can't lose on the trade. I was just thinking about securing the profit, but you know what? Screw it. Let it go. Nope, we're coming back down. Tap me out for real that time. I couldn't control that one. Market came and got me on that one. Like, yep.
Oof.
Yeah, these sellers are here, y'all. They in here. I'm gonna fucking throw up right now. Don't throw up, Pippi. To profit. Yeah, I just secured the break even. Like, I got like $5 out of the trade. I was up about maybe like 200, but I don't know. It just wasn't cooperating the way I would like it to cooperate. We're still in that range down here, but we're still holding the low. So if I do anything right now, it'll just be to scalp the range and just take away the greed and take my money and run. Because we're in the range and we're not getting back above the high. My next entry will be 48. If I do anything, it'll be way down here at 48. We could be trying to sell this thing off. Let me check the 15 and the 30 minute. Yeah.
Market just put in a lower high right there as well. So.
Yep, that's why I was saying, like, that lower high that we keep bouncing off of. 87 needed to be the area for me. I still think we go up. I just think we're putting in that that 15-minute demand that we put in yesterday, because we're still making higher lows at the bottoms. Doom, 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 doom. Market said, thank you. Yeah. Market was like, oh, you want to keep shorting? You want to keep long in the market? I bet. Say less. We're trying to push up out of here, but I don't know. Perfect inverse head and shoulders on the 15 if we can just hold above 62. Oh, that's where you were in it too, Micaiah, huh? Yeah, just looking at the 15, we got this potential head right here and then this potential shoulder right here. I think if we close this bullish, I think we'll go ahead and push out of here. You still in about this? Yeah, I got back in at 74. Yeah, I got back in at 74. I just can't get. I need an entry in the 60s not to get stopped out. I'm cool with holding it. I'm just not cool with taking a loss right here because it makes no sense. But I think I'm gonna put my stop at 61 and just take that. I had a really good week. Like this, I'm in Top Step X, bro. You know me. Like I start the day off over here. I start the day off over here. So whatever losses I take right here is $4.50.
Like $4.50.
Yep.
Yeah, I think the market's gearing up to make a big move.
Yeah, I think so too. I'm in at 74. Stops at 61.
Yeah, I'm in at 77.
Let it ride from there. I think we want to pump out of here. We're just trying to gather as much sellers as we possibly can. There's no way I'm shorting it. Put it that way.
This low because this is protected low.
Yeah, the only protected low right now is that 53. The rest of them I've just failed to put in new highs. Just consolidating in this area. If we get below 62, then I think we continue to come down.
Every time we come down here, that's where we get the bounce. But let's see. We crack through this.
Yeah, they in here. Yeah, cook me right there.
I'm not taking any more trades in this area.
Yeah, we're getting sizzled over here. Sizzle, sizzle. And coming right back up at the lows. Yeah, I think the entry that Valdez has is the money entry. Like you got to get the entry in the 60s. You don't get it in the 60s, you're just going to be in danger. If you're not going to give it the low, you're going to be in danger of getting stopped out every time.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's doing the sweep and then it never breaks the low, but it's taking everybody that gets in the middle of the range. And that's where our entries are poor because we're getting in the middle of the range. And then the overall trend right now is to the downside. The market wants lower prices.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see what we do down here at 48. Or we're going to start cooking the lows now. Remember, the level from last night is 18,000, right? So if we start to trade below 18,000, this 1 hour candle is really ugly, though. I'm just going to say that 1 hour rejection at the all-time highs, this is really ugly. This could get really ugly real fast if we get below 18,000. We still have support or huge demand at 17,981. So feels like a lot of profit taking right now. Let's check the landscape of the market before I go any further into this. Oh, Lord Jesus. Yeah, so share this tab. Apple got the exact same rejection up here at 185. Didn't really pay attention to that. Microsoft got rejected at its supply zone at the 90-minute. Nvidia broke all-time highs and immediately reversed. Meta did the exact same thing. If these stocks start to break structure, then you can expect that same break of structure to the downside on NQ. Again, not flipping bearish, so to speak, but definitely taking in consideration. Oh, did we tap 48?
He said, if I'd have just swept me.
Bro, that was the original level I was looking for, was 48. Yeah, this was my original area right here. And away we go. Yeah, that liquidity sweep.
Hey, good job, bud. Up 1K on the day. Let's go.
I'm up 1K, probably gonna call it a day. Nice. You were shorting down there. That was pretty good shorts. I still like the longs. I probably should have just waited till we came down to the 40s and then took it. I just get so impatient right there. Yeah, I get so impatient thinking that I'm gonna miss the move. And then all of a sudden the sweep comes and I'm like, oh, there it is. You know? Finally got that bullish engulfing candle right here. Let's see if we come back down to retest. Good job, bud. breaking above the highs again. Yeah, even though like the market's selling off, the VIX is also selling off, which tells me that as much selling is going on, it's more buying going on than selling.
So choppy.
Welcome to New York, baby. I mean, in comparison to Tokyo and London, though, I mean, this is as good as it gets. The chop fest on the way down just leads me to believe that it's going to be a big rally coming back up. So I'm just trying to figure out where I want to trade this. I'm just going to wait until I get this 1 minute break of structure here. I think that's the best thing I can do to be a little bit more patient. Because as much as I want to, I still believe in the bears. I need to wait for certain things to happen. Right? I need to wait for us to break above 92 instead of trying to get this early entry down here. And if I do get these early entries, I need to just scalp it for the 10 points, right? Get the 10 points and get the heck up out of there, because until we break above the structure, we're just going to continue to pull back.
Oh, dang. UW Master made a really good point. ES is like, ES is not moved. ES is just chilling at its highs, where NQ has pulled back, you know, a fairly decent amount from the high. It's very interesting.
Yeah. That's why I said, like, that's why I think NQ still wants up. There's no doubt in my mind we still want to go up. Just how choppy we're being right here just leads me to believe we still want to go up. It's so hard to sell this thing off. And you can even see Apple is coming into demand right now on the 45-minute. Apple's coming into demand. Microsoft is at previous day high where price likes to bounce. Nvidia is coming down, but it's coming into 15-minute demand at 799. If it breaks below there, then we have the tap at 790, 786 at the previous day high tap. Amazon's trying to recover its 15-minute candle. NQ is trying to put this higher low in right here, but again, this low is not protected because of the fact that we cannot break above any type of structure, so the downtrend will continue. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. On the 1 minute, until we get through any type of structure, right? If we were to just flip this and look at it from a bullish standpoint, because that's how my mind needs to look at it, right? If we were to just flip this, we break above structure here, and then after we break above structure, we anticipate consolidation, right? While we're consolidating, as long as we continue to break lows and we can't get above the highs, the market's going to continue to sell down, right? Until we put in a new high or a new high, or in this case, a new low, because I'm looking at it inversely, the market's not going to move up higher. And I think like trying to get in there before that high, I did the same thing last night when I took my losses last night, trying to anticipate the double bottom, trying to anticipate what the market's trying to do down here was getting me in trouble instead of just following the rules. And then also on the tape, there's just no aggressive buying coming in whatsoever. Right? So like that's like the telltale sign where like you'll see this double bottom look like it's trying to print, but then I'll look at the tape and I'm not seeing any buy volume coming into the market, right? I'm just seeing sell pressure. So if we can sell down to a higher time frame demand zone, then I'm interested. but the market is going to continue to be in sell mode until we put in a new high. So if you want to, the best thing you could do in this situation, in my opinion, is just long up to 67 or short back down to, you know, lower prices. Yeah, and we're at 48 right now.
I think we could go. I think we're coming back down to 800.
Just gonna try to be patient here. Wait to see if we can get. Yep, 1030. Tap 48 and go. My original thesis, bro. That's what I say. I said 48 a long time ago, and I wasn't patient enough to wait on it. And look, 48 at 1030. This thing looks like it wants to scoot on up out of here. But let's see. I want to see it get above. I want to see it start trading above 91, or at least above the previous high of 77. Facts. Thanks, Pippi, for the reminder. Let us out. Got us out here playing in time. Yeah, what do ICT people at? I took it at 49.75 though. We all be doing the same thing. We be talking stuff that we be like, yeah, but I got it long right here though. Just so you know. Nah, I'm not losing on this one, bro. That 48 was the level. As soon as I saw it, it hit me. I was like, 48, bro. What am I doing? All I had to do was wait for 48. All right, I'm long at 49.75. Yeah, 1030 is the number, bro. 1030. That's it. All right, I'm at break even. There's no way I'm losing on this trade. I'm looking for the bigger move, but I feel like I should just take some damn profit at this point. But every time I feel like that, that's when the aggressive buying comes in. Again, the VIX has not shifted to in favor of the bears at all. If we can't get above here, I'm going to take my profit.
Let's check on the US. Yeah. It's just like we're just coming down slow.
Yeah, I'm locking in 10 points at 59. I'm not giving more money back to this market. I'm out there. If we can't break these highs, I'm just going to keep getting out. I'm just going to treat these like scalps until we can break the high. I'm out for real that time. For the record. Yeah. I just felt like if we can't break the high, like I'm not going to continue to try to wait for the bigger move. I'm just going to take my money. Yeah, I think the market's just chopping its way down. Potentially 981 would be the ideal place that I would like to see it, but I'll settle for the exact same thing it did last night, which is come down to 18,000 and then pop up.
Yeah, I think that's where the market wants to go, is 18,000.
Like just tap 18K and then come right back up. Basically repeat exactly what it did last night. But I'd be willing to let it come down to 981. I'm not opposed to scalping this thing the whole way down though. If it wants to trade like this in the chop, I'm built for this. I got a special set of skills just for this.
Oh Lord.
All right, higher low being put in right here, but again, still no higher high being put in by this low. So we're defending this low, but it's a weak low. So I'd much rather see us start to trade above 76 before I take the long seriously. We bounced off previous day close, long from 40. Nice. Yeah, I'm treating the longs like scalps down here though. Until we can break above structure, like I'm just gonna stick and move down here. What's up, bro?
Oh, I just said if that was Micaiah. It was.
Yeah, that's Micaiah. That's Micaiah.
I figured.
Yeah, so basically this is what I'm looking at, guys. Like if you can, once you figure out like the fact that we're just ranging and the shorts are in control, right? So we can look to get short every time we tap inside of this supply zone. but you shouldn't be holding on to them long. I'm not going to short it. I'd rather just play the bounces, right? Because the bounces are stronger, they're faster, right? So and they feel like more surefire wins. And I think at some point the bulls will be back. So scalp it up to the supply, scalp it down to the demand. Get out, get out. I promise you those 10 points will add up. I promise you that. But you got to understand the conditions that we're in right now. If this isn't for you, then don't trade it. But this is what I'm built for now. Like, I'm completely okay with switching gears and saying, okay, the longer moves are out of the question, so let me just play the bounces. Again, another higher low being put in here.
Yeah, at the low, we're struggling. But the market's still just chopping its way down.
All right, in at 50, trying to get out at 61. Locking in 25, out. And again, I'm playing 5 micros. So like when I'm locking in 3 or 4 points, it's only 20 to 25 bucks for me. But that adds up for a smaller account, right? For somebody that's trading 1 or 2 minis, right? Like you get up 4 or 5 points, you're locking in, $200-$300, right? Like that money matters at that point, right? Like it matters to me, but just to put things into perspective, right?
It's like price is starting to slow down a little bit.
Yeah, we're putting in this inverse head and shoulders down here. This low is protected down here at 49 now, and now we're starting to push up. I got back in at 55. Keeping it tight here. Just targeting that quick 10. I know, just push, bro. Come up here to the top of the range and go. All right, I'm out right there. Quick. Yeah, I'm out right there for a quick 30. They're about to make me start scalping these shorts in here in a second. Taking no shorts and no losses, man. I should have just kept my position down there at 50. Oh no, I would have been out at 60 anyway. All right, we'll wait till we come back down a little bit.
Rough.
Yeah, it's pretty ugly. Even on the 15-second, it's pretty ugly. Yeah, I'm glad I retired the funders today. Looks like we're getting that push out of here, though. Looks like we're trying to push. The buyers are definitely back on the tape as well, so. At the top of the range now, see if we break through. We pull back here, I'll be looking for another entry. Right here at the top of the range is 69. We got to break through 69 and start trading above 78 in order for me to look to hold this long term. Other than that, I'm just looking to scalp it. I'm not going to scalp it down, though, because I feel like the move is going to be to the upside if we do come out of here with strength. So for me, I'm just looking to scalp it every time we come back down to this demand until we break above the high. We're above the high on the 15-second. I just want to see us start to trade above the high on the 1 minute. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. Remember, this is scalp territory until we put that new high in, guys. So if you're looking to trade this, just know that this could reverse back down at any time. We did put in a beautiful inverse head and shoulders on the 1 minute, but you see how much we keep struggling every time we come up to 72. That's why I'm out when I come up here, right? If we can't push up there clean, I'm out, because the market is just tricking you into believing that we're going to go higher. Until we break above that high, we're not going anywhere, right? We're just going to continue to play with this high and try to trap people that are buying late, right? Just do yourself a favor and just put a box right at the supplier demand zone and paint it red and say, okay, this is a stop sign. It doesn't mean that we won't break it. It just means that that's where price is going to react, right? And then down here at the low, it's the same thing, right? This is the range down here at the lows, right? So every time we come down here, you just paint this box green, right? And you say, okay, every time we come down here, and this is if you want to scalp. If you don't know what you're doing, just leave this alone. Treat it like any other thing else that you see that's chopped. Just say, nope, I don't want no part of this chop, right? But right now, this is chop. But this money can be made in a chop. You just got to know how to trade it, right? So now you see we just broke above this high right here. So we anticipate consolidation, but we don't anticipate price trading higher above 72 unless we put in a new high, right? We can anticipate a potential long opportunity right here because we've held this low right here and we put it in a new high right here. But if this low breaks, then we should be anticipating further sell-off and then more consolidation. Another double bottom potentially trying to be put in here, but the tape looks aggressively selly. So I don't know if this is going to last. All right, there goes 40. Let's see if we sweep and we recover, or do we continue? Because again, the VIX is still selling down. It's not going up. I expect this to come back at some point.
Yeah, we're tapping into the final like little demand zone that we have.
Everything about the VIX tells me that we're going to come back up at some point. I just don't know where that point is. I have levels dialed in, but I do know this: until we get back above the high, the market's going to continue to be bearish. Like, continue.
Yeah, Nvidia is dropping, Microsoft is dropping, Google's dropping, Apple's dropping, everything's dropping right now.
Yeah, where are they dropping to is the question.
Yeah, well, Nvidia is about to close the gap for the day. The gap up, we're about to close the gap up. So that could be where we potentially bounce that gap up.
I know that they're dropping. I just want to know where they're going. Unless we're going to sell off all day. This could be profit taking all day. I don't think so, though.
No, that's why I think this low at 18,000 is going to be the point where we hold.
Yeah. Just want to see some type of structure being built down here, right? We're breaking through these lows, and now the only other level that I have down here as far as higher time frame goes is that 90-minute down here at 17,981, right? If the market wants to continue to sell down there, I'm cool with that. Again, pushing back into 33 now, right? So we want to see what happens when we get back into 33 through roughly about 41, right? Careful shorting down here because these bulls appear to be taking back control on the tape right now. They're trying to push out of here. And again, the VIX is continuing its sell-off here, which tells me somebody's loaded into a buy position. Question is, when are they going to start buying?
It is the question. A lot of buying going on, but the market's just kind of stuck.
Man, this sell-off is so slow.
It is.
Just get above a high somewhere. Doom, 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 doom.
It's very, very slow. Looks like we're about to try to put in a basing candle here on the 5-minute, though.
All right, finally breaking through some freaking structure here. Maybe. Look at the CVD, still bright green.
Well, yeah, it's because of all the buying that happened earlier, and all the buying that's been going on. But that should be even more bearish. The fact that there's all this buying going on, and it's just like institutions are probably selling out of their positions.
Mm-hmm. I'm checking with chat here. All right. Timsky says, "What's up, boys? Thoughts on shorting Disney? Ask me later." Inverse head and shoulders on the 1 minute. Let me take a look. Oh, was that earlier? Yeah, I gotta see us trade above some structure. Other than that, my thesis is we're gonna keep coming down. If we're gonna keep coming down, I'm just gonna leave it alone. Brent says, would you show your tape and how you are reading it in terms of buyer versus seller push? Yeah, I can do that. let me finish the trade here, or potentially the trade, and then I'll show my tape, because a lot of people just want to see the charts. So if I switch to the tape, the viewership goes down.
Yeah, everybody sees the tape. And like,
yeah, they see the tape and they be like, I don't know what I'm looking at. Hey, Jay, can you please explain a little on the rhythmic plan and trader bait plan, please? After you get done trading.
I can tell you the rhythmic plan. It all just depends on what platform you're trying to trade on, right? So for a rhythmic plan, you can in the video, I think I went over like 14 different platforms, but honestly, it's just easier to get the online trader bait plan. They just send you a login and a password, and you don't have to set anything up. It took me, I think, like an hour to set up a rhythmic and NinjaTrader together. It just was a hassle. I would suggest just going with trader bait because it's a lot easier, especially because you're new, and it's much faster to learn. So the rhythmic plan is a little bit cheaper, but to me, it's not worth the hassle of setting it up. So,
all right, these bulls are trying to come back in town here.
Yeah, they're trying.
They just keep getting gobbled up.
Yeah.
Just consolidating it here on these highs on the 15-second here. If we drop down a little lower time frame, you can see we're trying to hold beneath this previous 50% level. We just had this break of structure, so we expect this consolidation to either start to trade lower or potentially break above the high and start to trade higher. But these bears, the bears are defending 45 right now. So as long as we continue to consolidate at these highs, I feel like we're going to squeeze out at this level at some point. There's that structure break right there. That's what I want to see. All right. Now I'm interested. Damn, it took forever. Freaking bulls. Traded all the way down to freaking 1820. No way. No way. 18,022 is the exact same entry I got last night. And I got stopped out of my position last night. Mark is effing with me at this point. All right, let's see if we trade back into 56 now. Remember, we got this supply zone right here, right? Like now we're looking at this level here, right? 56, 57 is where price could be headed before it starts to reject again, or we start to break above more structure. Because now we just had a switch in order flow. They call this a change of character, right? The true change of character will happen up here, or the break of structure is 64. But this is an intermediate change of character right now because we broke above the previous high. Right, we were putting in higher lows or lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, and we stopped right here. So right here, we put in a higher low, right? So now we're trying to see if we can hold this level here. So let me take this off and go here. Whew. See what we do at 41. There we go.
Yeah, they kind of ate up that candle right there.
Yeah, bears are just they're strong. They're strong at these highs. Let's see if we hold 41 though. Remember, everybody is super bullish right now. So every attempt to look like we're gonna push out of here, it's easier for them to sell the market off right now, right? Just like you saw me take multiple trades down there long. Most retail is trying to long this market. I can tell just by looking at the tilt. 58% on top stack index are long, right? And you know why? It's because every time they see an aggressive push, they're trying to repeat what happened yesterday, which will most likely happen, right? But you're chasing yesterday's dream, right, off today's price action. You have to flip that bias and say, okay, let me trade today's price action and potentially catch yesterday's dream. The price action so far all day has been bearish, right? But against my general logic, right, I've been chasing yesterday's price action, right? When really I should just be saying, okay, what is price action doing right now, right? And that's my mistake. What I should be doing is looking to short this market every time we come down, and I'd be getting my money much faster and probably with a lot less ease. But because I'm so bullishly biased, it's messing up my thought process, right? Trade what you see, not what you think, right? And that goes for me too, right? Like I'm not immune to those emotions, right? But that's what practicing is for. That's what trading in the live market is for, right? What I currently see on the tape right now is a lot of freaking buying that's not moving the market. Do I think it's going to move the market? Yeah, I think it is. But that's not my job. My job is to trade what I see. What I see right now is a higher low being put in, but this queen right here at 72 is in control of this entire downtrend right now. Is the downtrend choppy? Hell yeah, it's choppy. Does it look like we're in a falling wedge? Yep. But should I be looking for longs right now? No. I should be looking for shorts right now, right?
Yeah, I think we're about to take another tumble down and break this low. Based off of what I'm seeing off the 5 minute,
yeah,
we're about to come crashing down.
Just calling it as you see it, not by what you think, right? The market looks like it wants to continue to sell off. So don't fight what you see, trade what you see, right? And what I'm seeing is a lack of buying a lack of buying at the highs, right? Even though we're buying at the low, there's no buying at the high point, which means that there's more selling at the high than there is buying at the high. So,
yeah, I think we basically just put in a head and shoulders right there. And now if we break this low here, then we're just going to continue coming down. This is where we get ate up potentially. Yeah, I still think the market comes down to 18K, maybe even lower.
Yeah,
this is kind of
there hasn't been any recovery from the bears. I mean, from the bulls. The bulls are just. It makes you feel like they bought up all that they wanted to buy up, and now they're just selling it off. Now, right? It's Friday. They're having a good day. I mean, they had a good week.
Profits.
Yeah, let's take some profit and let's just sell this thing off, guys. Let's go golfing. Retail will buy it up. They'll be chasing yesterday's dream, right? So.
Yeah. What's up, Speedy Capital? How's it going? Brett says cool. SB says thanks. Also, is the static plan good? In my opinion, no. I don't like the static plan. The reason why I don't like the static plan is because I think it's a lot harder, or it's a lot easier to blow the account, and they make it that way as kind of like a trap for people. Not dealing with intraday trailing drawdowns kind of nice, but they give you way less room. So from all the research that I've done, I actually started with a static account and it didn't quite work out. But in my opinion, it's better just to go with the full size accounts. All right, that's another break of structure there.
Yeah, that one got ate up quick though.
Yeah, we did. We tapped.
That one.
Another
That's the first
zone.
time. That's the first time I see it get ate up that quick. I'm like, ooh, that one got ate up fast. Yeah. No, I just been analyzing the price action. I've been analyzing the price action, and like I said, like I found myself just chasing yesterday's price action. I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Yep. Nope.
That was a nasty little sweep right there.
I don't like giving it that many handles because if I would just say stick to your rules, right? Because the only thing that we didn't get, again, it was the same thing that happened to me last night, right? Like I was longing the market without confirmation to long the market, right? So where we were, we never got a break above structure, but we went long expecting a break of structure. You feel me? So we were getting long off of a weak low. It could work out, but it's not high probability, right? We saw the double bottom, which is good. Those are good things. Our entry criteria was correct, but our thesis on holding it longer than 10 points was incorrect because of the fact that we weren't valid to go long. The order flow had shifted to the downside, right? So once the order flow shifted, you can still long the market. You just have to long it for 10 or 15 points or 5 or 10 points and get out, right? And now the selling is starting to slow down as we come into 17,981. See, if we come down here and we sweep and I get everything that I want, then I'm not going to hesitate to long the market because of the fact that I know that this is a higher time frame, right? If we come to the 90-minute, we can see that if we break below 18,000 and we come down here, guess how many people are going to be trying to get long or short at 18,000? Everybody's going to be trying to get long or get short at the break of the low, right? I'm expecting that, and I'm anticipating potentially seeing a bounce down here as we come into 981. But what we were doing, the reason why I don't like those long stop losses, they're not for me, right? And it's because I don't need that much room to be wrong. What I need to do is follow the rules. And if I follow my rules, then I know if this is going to work out or not. I know the probability of it working out or not. And we can go back and look at every trade we took, and I guarantee you we can find the reason why it didn't work out. Whether we use the tape or we use, you know, just structure. Ultimately, we were a little bit impatient and we didn't wait for the structure break. The high never broke. No, the low was never validated. Yep. The low was never validated, and we kind of drowned ourselves looking for the longs. But I mean, it's okay. Like, we were in accounts that, you know, combine accounts or whatever, like the risk was managed. You did everything you could do correctly on the other end. Yeah. No. But it still should be a lesson that you learn from. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly, Cordy. Cordy is saying since 10 a.m. we put in 5 new lows. Exactly. So that's why when I was longing the market, the first long I took a break even trade that I didn't need to take, right? I should have just taken my profits, but I kept anticipating a bigger move because we were getting such big moves yesterday, right? That's a mistake. Ooh. Right? What I should have been doing is saying, okay, this is a nice move, but let me take the 10 points and get up out of here, because I already know that the market's not giving more than that right now. Or switch your bias and just go to the order flow side. The current order flow is to the downside, right? So
yeah, I just oh my God, Jesus Christ. I was in the background taking trades because I was doing some degen, not really degen shit, but I was trying to verify something. And it worked out kind of nicely. I held a trade. I got short at I don't even know what it was. I got short, I think, at 50 and held it all the way down to 18,000. But the thing that I've realized, I think, especially about Dave's strategy, is once the order flow, like you say, is shifted, just looking at zones to the left or to the right of the chart is better than playing zones to the left of the chart as we're coming down. Because I was getting burnt like crazy last night trying to play zones to the left instead of playing the zones that were being created. And that kind of, as soon as I tried, because I think I was long in the market with you guys as well on one account, and I got cooked. And I was like, all right, I'm just going to switch my bias to short because clearly we're making lower highs. And so I think I took my first short at like 70 and I got stopped out for break. Even when it came back up, I re-entered, and then I just started following it with structure. So yeah, I think that's probably what I'm going to be trying to do from here on out, because my bias was too long and I kind of ended up switching it. So yeah, it was it was definitely feels better to be on the right side of the market. That's for sure. So now I'm just waiting for this 90-minute like you are to hit.
Well, you don't want to follow me. I could be on the wrong side of the market.
I mean, it's not a big deal. I'm not saying you've been scalping the market just fine to the upside. I switched my bias, that's all.
All right, we're coming down into this 90-minute demand zone. The center of this zone, the 50% level, is 939. And I'm looking for bounces down here. If we just flush straight through here, then it's probably just going to be an all-day sell-off, to be honest.
Let's see where ES is almost at its area where I'm looking for a bounce as well.
Down. Yeah, this is the higher time frame demand zone here that I'm curious to see how we react down here. If we continue selling off, then screw it. Let it sell. I'm not shorting this market. Boom, 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 boom. But we got that previous day low down there at 864. Yeah, we just broke another aggressive low break, so I expect consolidation down here again.
Change accounts. Low of day. Low. Oh, bravo, Jones. You were calling for the low of day yesterday that we never saw. But we'll see. We're still coming down, but I want to see if we can't make a lower high. Look at the tape. You might want to dig a little bit deeper into the zone. But every single low, we've been getting like some reaction. I'm flat right now. I don't have any positions open. I'm waiting to try to long the market back up if my demand zone holds. Don't you think it's a perfect time to long? Maybe, potentially. But I haven't gotten enough confirmation to long the market yet. We're just consolidating at this low. So I'll wait until we break structure, change character, do something, and then get a retest. 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. market usually ranges. Could be, maybe. I don't know. We just sold off a lot, so we could range for another hour or so. Consolidate down here at the low before pushing up. I wouldn't mind consolidating and trapping some sellers. This is a good load up point for bulls, so we'll see. This is scary down. I mean, we ran 800 points. We had to sell off at some point, so. But the overall trend is still up, so this is an area where I would look to long the market. You just gotta wait and be patient. I'm just waiting to see if we can't come down into my 90-minute demand zone at 95875. Come down in that area. I know Hobbs is already in his demand zone, but mine is a little bit lower. So come in there, maybe build some structure, and then look to go higher. But this is a really big demand zone. It's like you know how many points this is. It's like 100-point demand zone, so we'll see. And we're still coming down though. We just broke structure again. I think people are taking profit and ending it for the weekend. It could be. This could be all profit taking. But if they took profits, they took profits up at the highs. Like the big money took profits up at the highs. So just the question is, where do they want to load back up at? Here's a nice push by the bulls right here. If we can break above 981 and then come back down and retest, then I think it could be good for longs. But we got to break above 981, or else the market's going to keep coming down. That was a nice sweep. Either that, or if there's a lot of selling down here and they get trapped, or run some stops or something. See if we can pop up above here. It might just be me, psychology and all, but on a good day, you can read scalp evals great, but when it comes to PA accounts, terrible. Yeah, it's probably psychology because you know how like a PA account is more important. Like feeling wise, it just means more. So it's a little bit harder to trade PA. Still waiting to see if Bulls can't break above this 982 level and break some type of structure. Every time we come back up to the highs, we've always rejected. So see if this is any different.
Oh, damn.
Right, there we go.
Gosh. Do something down here.
There we go.
Good.
All right.
Okay. Now we're talking. Now we're cooking with some hot grease. All right.
Now that we broke above that area, I want to see us trade away for a little bit and then come back down and retest. I'll be interested in long in the market. Sounds like Hobbs already took this long, though, which is a good long at the bottom.
No, I haven't taken it long. I would have told you.
Oh, well.
I want to see a clean break above structure.
This is for you, Jaden Bowie.
Who?
Jaden Bowie, boy. Hi, Jeremiah's dad.
Ain't you supposed to be in school? Who is Jaden Bowie? It's Friday trapping. Oh, Jaden. Well, I feel like I know him. If you're talking to me on YouTube, you better be out of school, or you better be on break. A couple of Jay's kids, a couple of Jeremiah and Nevaeh's friends, they talk to me about finances and stuff like that. And I told them I got a YouTube channel, so they may have found me on YouTube. It's Friday, trapping the longs and shorts. Yeah, no, I mean the market's been coming down. It's basically been coming down all day. Like I want to long this down here, but I need a little bit more confirmation. That little fake out to the upside, that's not going to do it for me. I need to see aggressive buying come out of here, break the highs, and then come back down here and retest. That break, although it looked good for a hot second, it stopped exactly where it needed to stop. So I just want to see a nice strong close above the high. I don't want to have to guess and see if it closed or not. As a matter of fact, I would love it even more if we closed above 18,005. But they were removing liquidity down here on the tape, so.
There we go. Now just trade away.
Kind of missed our entry earlier. Oh, I missed mine.
We still haven't broken above the structure yet and closed, at least on the 1 minute. I want this thing to trade away first, and then it can come back.
Yeah, I mean, we got so much room to go back up. Like, I'm not finna rush it because I know we're gonna trade away. It's gonna be aggressive, but I want to see us close and officially trade away. And I'm just gonna be patient because now I'm actually in an account that I care about. So.
Southern Spoke says, "Morning, bros. My bad. I should have said something earlier, but ETH is melting. I think it might keep dropping if you can find an entry." Yeah, well, I mean, at least for me, I'm not trading ETH right now anyway. But eventually, I'll future trade it. Eventually, or well, yeah, ETH or Bitcoin. At some point, open up what's that account? I can't remember the broker. I think I have them too. But there's a broker you can use to trade the futures with leverage. All right, we're finally trading away and closed above. Now I can just wait for the pullback. Mexi, there you go. Thanks, Timsky. Yeah, Mexi. I'll use Mexi. What to do? I said they're trying to support 90, but might fail. All right. Yeah, so I want us to come back down to 64, 964. We can come back down to 964, and then I'll look for an entry there. But if we keep running, that's fine too. Put this in here. All right. Nice hold on this demand zone. Did get a slight change of character on the 1 hour, but if we don't close, then probably gonna head right back up. Oh, and ES, damn, ES tapped my box perfectly too at 59.93. Tapped it, and now we're going. Very, very nice. Just waiting to see now if we can't get a pullback. But looks like this demand zone was the load up spot for the bulls. Just wait and see if we can't get a pullback now. There's nothing on the tape. The tape's pretty empty right now, except for the regular orders that we see moving up and down. And we're pushing up again. We still really haven't had a pullback yet, though. Market's just continuing to go up, up and up and up. It's out of here. Out of here. So you don't want to pull back market. You want to just keep going. I'll count this too. So we do better. What a rally. It's already like a 60-point rally, 70-point rally back from that low. Thought on the indicator called market structure MF DTFX. Never heard of it. I know somebody in Dave's Discord created a different indicator. What is it called? Protected highs and lows TFO. I know that one, but I never heard of market structure MF DTFX. I'll look it up though. See what it's like. Market structure. Market structure. MF. Oh, did I spell wrong? Goodbye, Pro. I don't see it. Pro. Muckle. I don't see it. I don't see it. Are you sure that's right? I see the Master Sculpt or Scout, which I know he's on Twitter, but I don't see the one that you're talking about. ETF. Oops. Yeah, I don't see it. Oh. Is it a public indicator? It might not be public. If it's not public, I won't be able to see it, so I don't know. It's only available through link. You cannot find. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. About to say. I don't know then. Here comes that pullback.
Yeah, I'm short on the pullback. 18,002 is my entry.
Nice. It's a good entry. We had a nice 1 minute supply zone right there. That drop base drop.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm all out right there. I don't trust that we'll pull back to 64. We just look so strong on the tape.
Yeah, I'm hoping we get back to 69, but
yeah, I think this might be the
or
pullback.
79.
Yeah, I was looking for a pullback in the 64, but once I saw how aggressive we were on the tape, I was like, nope, taking my bread right now. Look at this guy. Freaking monster, man. This is why I didn't want to short. I was like, I'm going to take this short expecting a pullback down, but if I see weakness, I'm getting out.
That was a good exit.
Yeah, I got the heck up out of there.
Much better at that than me, because I would have held that.
No, it's when I see them double bottoms print, I look at it like this is where I would get long. So as soon as I in my brain say, okay, I would probably get long here, I get out. I don't even mess around. I'd be like, nope, I'm out.
That's good, because I would have held for break even and got stopped out, because my brain, I don't know, I can't react fast enough, and nope.
Yeah, you get sometimes you fall in love with that P&L, and I try not to. I just try to fall in love. I try to follow structure. And when I see something that, and especially if I'm going against the trend, I know the trend is down. I know the trend is up. So if I'm going against the trend, like, nah. As soon as I see something that resembles a reversal, I'm getting out.
Yeah, I definitely want to fall in love with P&L right there.
That is crazy freaking. Like, the pullback was nothing. That's it.
Yeah, I wish we would have dropped. I wish we would have dropped a bit lower. I wish we would have dropped a bit lower.
Come on.
Actually, I can take this out. Okay, let's trade above even higher now, and I can look for the pullback back into this area. But I still like the area down low. I was looking for 73 and I was looking for 78, but we didn't get either one of those, or 63 and 78. We didn't get either one of those. So
yet we haven't gotten away from us. The sellers are still in the building, so like that. Right now the trend is to the downside, so we're gonna get tested. We're gonna get tested at 18,023.25 through roughly about 18,053. So I'm hoping that liquidity test runs us back down for a retest, so we can complete the inverse head and shoulders on the 5. But the 15-minute looks like it's gone already. But I'm hoping that we get one more pullback.
Yeah, once the market breaks over 53, it's a wrap.
Yeah, it's a wrap. But this 15-minute candle, we pulled back 50% of it, like to the tick, and then shot right back up. So that might be it. That might be it. We might be gone already. It's gonna irritate me, because if I would have just stuck to my plan and went with the original thesis of just waiting on this demand zone to hit, I hesitated because I've been long in the market on the other account. And then when I got over here to the account I cared about, I hesitated right here. And as soon as I hesitated, the market was like, thank you, gone.
Yeah.
Down here, and I'm just like, oh man.
It was hard to trust the longs down at the low though, without us breaking some type of structure, which we got, but it just it took a while.
Let me jump into Disney, because I'm not.
I was about to do that, because I don't. If you're still looking to trade, I gotta wait for some type of pullback. So
no, I gotta. If you're gonna jump into it, go ahead. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick.
All right, Timsky. So check it. I don't really use MACD. So, I mean, it might suggest some selling pressure, but hey, you bought this. You bought puts this morning on Spy. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see where we're at. Oh, I'm on the. Okay. Let's see where we're at here. On Disney. Oh, you guys can't see my screen. Hold on a second though. Hold up a second. I don't have that saved. Let's see. Oh, here it is. All right. All right. So
we're looking at Disney.
Yeah. I'm sure I'm gonna turn this off for a second.
Might get a pullback here.
Yeah, it looks like we're coming down. I'm watching it on the tape so I can still observe. Let me go to the daily real fast. Let's see. I mean, we're in a downtrend. So
what range are we on? Is it DS? What's the ticker?
DIS.
Oh, not DISN. Okay.
We're in a downtrend. Let's see. I'm just gonna see some simple support and resistances for a second, just because I want to see.
What did he say is his thesis on it?
He said thoughts on shorts. MACD suggests heavy selling pressure.
I wouldn't short this.
You wouldn't short Disney?
No, not until we get beneath. Let me check the 3 hour here.
Because I was checking the higher time frame. We're at the high. We're at the top of the range right here.
To the left. Look at 105, 106.17 on the 3 hour. We're sitting right at demand right now, and we're starting to get a candle on the 2 hour that suggests we might start to push back up.
Oh, okay. You're looking at it without the. Let me take.
Yeah, you should. I mean, how else are you gonna see what's really going on, other than a bunch of gaps?
Yeah.
Look at the 90 minute. The 90 minute looks better. Looks like we're tapping right into that 90 minute demand zone right there, and we're starting to look like we want to push out of here. I would not be shorting Disney here.
Yeah.
No way. HE double hockey sticks.
Yeah, because is this like this is their earnings. So yeah, if they're gonna give back their earnings, then it could potentially drop. They just had earnings, so that could be why they're selling off. Yeah, I think I'm kind of with Hobbs. I was gonna say I probably wouldn't short here either. I would want to be short closer to the high, like around.
I'm gonna get short. I'm gonna get short at 107. 107.34 or like 106, maybe a retest of 106. If you short right here, you'll be shorting right inside of demand right now. Like you're literally sitting inside of that demand zone right there on the 90 minute. If you short right here, you're expecting that demand zone to break. I'm not saying that it won't, but look at the buying that came in that brought you that demand. Show him that big candle. Yeah, that big candle right there. All that buying came in and they built demand right there. So everybody that's looking to buy more, they're gonna buy right there, right where that green box is. And look at where you're at right now. And anytime you see those wicks, as soon as we touch that box, it doesn't mean that we will reverse, but it does mean that there's buyers there. I don't care what the MACD says. So could it continue to come down? Yes. Would you rather be short higher? Yes. The game of buying and selling is you sell high, you buy high and sell low, right? You don't sell low, potentially looking to buy back in higher. Right?
Yeah.
You buy right here, you'll be selling the low. So
yeah, that's what I was saying. If you got in anywhere like from 112 to like 110 or even 108, then yeah. But yeah, like Hobbs is saying, maybe wait for a retest of like 107 up to like 108, have it come back up there and see what happens, or we'll just wait for a higher price. Or if this does break, then you can look for the retest of this area, because this thing should fall. Because that's a lot of people who are going to be trying to take profits based off of this Disney candle or off of this earnings candle. So
I got rug. I hope you selling those puts now. I hope you buying them back, because this market ain't playing around. But he said he bought his puts this morning. What a flip! I know, right? They flipped that quick. They was like, "Yeah, downtrend." No, that was nasty. I'm watching it on the 5 second. It's even worse on the 5 second. It was like, poof. Sellers bought it. Sellers sold back into it though. Let's see.
I gotta go back here.
Again, we came right back to that level that I was drawing out on the tape. I was drawing out on the chart. Is we came right back up to that level. We never broke the high, the other high, right? We didn't break the high at 18,014. Let's see where we came back up to on the 5 minute. Yep, right into that area. We just talked about 22 being the rejection area, and we came right into 17, right? 17, if you look to the left, again, another structural rejection right there. So let's see if buyers want to continue buying, or do they want to continue start selling. The tape looks like they're about to start selling again. I'm very cautious on buying longs. That's all I'm gonna say, because this rally up was not the impressive rally that I wanted. This was not it. Like, I would have loved to have been in that rally, but this rally does not look strong to me. This feels like the market came up just to pull back, and overall we just broke structure. We changed character at 18,000. We gave up 18,000, and now we're trying to break through the 900s. I'm more inclined to believe that if we can't hold this demand zone, we're going to go lower. But if we come down here and we look aggressive again, and we hold this low right here on the 1 minute.
Oh wait, they can't see. Hold on.
Okay. Yeah, so if we come down here, we hold this low down here at 960, 964 area. This is where I'm trying to get long, because this was a break of structure over here. If we look right here, I mean, change of character, right? At 18,003, we officially changed character and we retested it. So this structure break is valid, but I want to see the market come down here and do something just like this, right? But if we continue to push out of here, I mean, I could continue to try to long the market on scalps, but I just don't trust it right now. I don't trust it. So I don't want to mess up my Friday, baby. Had a good week this week. I ain't trying to F that up.
Well, looks like we're holding this demand zone down here, this pullback area. That's nice. Timsky said, good to know, MACD not that reliable. Thanks, guys. I wouldn't say it's not reliable. It just depends on how you're planning on using it. Like, I mean, nobody knows what's going to happen. I mean, all the MACD is telling you is like the selling pressure, but that doesn't mean that the market can't turn around at any time. So I would just say don't use the MACD as the only indicator that's going to tell you whether you should buy or sell. Like, you should have more than just the MACD for a confluence. That's all.
Yeah, I think structure is going to lead you right now. Like, right now, the narrative is down on that stock, meaning sellers are definitely in control, but overall buyers are in control of the overall move. Dang, I missed the short right there.
Yeah, we just put in a lower.
I was literally just looking at it. I was like, dang, 13 looks nice for a short. Pushing down here.
That's Dave eating us.
Dave? Probably. I think he's live in Discord right now. So
gold took all the rally and heading up to the moon. Well, let's see.
Yeah, they sold all the stocks and went in bulk.
Jesus! Look at this gold candle. Oh my god. Oh, this is a 2-hour candle, but still.
Yeah, I mean, I think our candle still looks like that. That's wild. How inverse they are today.
Gold went ham. Let's check oil. Ooh, oil dumping.
Meanwhile, oil we dumping. Around over here. Just chop it around on the old NQ. I think she wants down. Yeah, I was about to say, I think she wants to come back down test lower prices here. It's just the shorts look so. They look so uneventful. The longs look so much better.
The volatility's drying up now.
Everybody taking their ball and going home, bro.
Boo, 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 boo. All right, let's change this music up.
Yeah, I'm tired of bouncing my daggone head. My neck hurt. I can't help to do it. I can't help but to do it though.
I don't know what this one is. This is a new one. I don't know if I played this one. Damn. Your neck might continue to hurt.
I know. He said, "Damn, this shit fire."
Yeah.
He said,
you might need another hydrocodone after today.
Hey,
for your neck.
Yeah, that joke was nice. Put me right out. I couldn't even see the screen well this morning trying to trade.
Seeing double.
Yeah, I had to crawl to the charts like.
Could be putting in a kind of like a makeshift inverse head and shoulders. We didn't get a break of that high, but bulls are still defending this area.
Yeah, I don't know, that sell off over there from 15 look for real.
Yeah, but they ate it right back up though.
Yeah, but bulls ain't coming back in.
That is true.
They're not coming back in. I'm looking at the tape and they are not here. They trying to sell this market.
Oh man, what is this? 41? Dang, 300. Oh, that was probably at the top. No, it wasn't at the top. Oh no, it was. At 41, they had 377 buyers come in, and they're probably all trapped right now.
That's what I mean. Like they trying to sell this thing off, but the bulls ain't going quietly either. So
yeah,
we're just in consolidation right now at the top.
Yeah, actually, this is the first pullback on the 5 minute. So
that's what I was saying. That's the area that I was calling out. I was like, this pullback doesn't look strong at all on the 5 minute. It looks like we're pulling back into supply on the 5 just to go lower.
No. I mean, this is the first pullback of the uptrend on the 5 minute. Like of
yes, like of the current uptrend. Yeah, but it's also the pullback of the downtrend.
That is true too.
Yeah, and the downtrend is the stronger trend today. So yeah. I'd be more inclined to trade the shorts than the longs.
But I guess what I was thinking is maybe if we come back down to where we wanted the long market originally at 63-ish, then we could take it up.
Watching fakes, right? Yeah, it definitely. Yeah. This is definitely whack. Whatever. It's what we got. It's the hand we was dealt today. You know, you gotta play the hand you're dealt. I'm short 0450. Stops above the high up there at 14. I think we want to come down further.
Yeah, it's looking like it. Man,
they just keep coming right back.
Your wife says, could you pick up Dre today, please, so I can stay late?
I got you. I freaking hate shorts. This is why I stay away from these shorts. Look at all this buying coming in. Just stop. I knew I shouldn't have flipped my bias. That moment you get in short for the first time, you're like, all right, I'm going to try the shorts today. I'm going to give you guys a shot. You see the buy-in immediately come in. It's like, oh, very well. Definitely stay with the stronger trend.
That's what I was like yesterday. I was trying to short the market yesterday, and I was like, man, forget these shorts. I'm going long. And as soon as I went long, shorts was like, nope. I was like, never mind.
I think that was like record timing that I've ever been cooked in a trade. Good Lord. This is why I don't freaking short this market.
Chicago Sean says, if the markets move like yesterday, I'd never leave home.
Bro, for real.
So just to the upside the entire day. Just
real. Like if we only went down, if we only went up, I almost closed it. It was like, oh no, how I was running my stop loss. I know. I was trying to get in. I was trying to run it because I thought we wanted more downside right there. I was playing the rejection off the highs up there. And yeah, no, it came right back up on me. But we're overall in a downtrend, and I mean in an uptrend. And if you look to the left, that 96 level just held. That was like the first pullback, and then we just kind of pushed up.
Yeah. This is the first pullback we're getting on this 5 minute little uptrend we got going on. I wanted it deeper though. I wanted us to come down to, in the 60s at least. It looks like we're not going to get it. Yeah, this beat.
Don't close it on account of me, boy. I was coming for that stop loss, though. You best believe that. They're definitely buying this up, though. That sweep was ugly. I still think we want to come down, though.
This uptrend is ugly. It's just slow. It's very slow. Very, very slow. Ooh, I think you're right. On the tape, you see that CVD divergence we just got? Like it's pretty big. Let's see if these sellers shut down the buyers here. Oh. I think his internet just went out because he got kicked out of the Discord. I think his internet just went out. Trader's Trap might be a wrap. Well, Bravo Jones, you just wrapped. I won't dare fade Hobbs. Yeah. I don't know. This uptrend looks like it wants to continue. We're just looking like we're slowly buying everything back up again. All right, he's back. Computer crash?
Yeah, it says Windows server.
Windows server what?
Dare fade. Windows server quit unexpectedly.
Oh.
It says unexpected crash or something. I don't know.
Was it just your internet?
No, it's not my internet. My internet is working fine.
No, real time. We just saw your camera go from being
saw that, right?
into being your jailhouse camera.
Nothing, and I did nothing. You saw that, right?
Yeah, we all saw that.
I did nothing. Like I'm telling y'all, this camera got a mind of its own.
That thing popped in real fast.
Mm.
These bulls are back. They just ran so many stops right there.
Trader's Trap might be a wrap. Yeah, they cooking shorts right now.
Yeah, Bravo.
I should have known better.
Jones is a rapper.
I should have known better than to short this market. That's the first and last short I'll be taking this month.
What?
You got that Windows 98. No, it's a MacBook. It's a Macbook. It's just,
he don't even have. When he means window, he's talking about the internet window went down, not the Windows window.
No, that's the thing. It says it says unexpected crash or something. It's not my internet. My internet works.
No. When you say the window, it's not your internet server. It's like the actual. You're using Safari, right?
I don't know. I think so. Yeah. No, I use Chrome.
Okay. Well, in Chrome, it's Chrome that's crashing. It's your internet like browser.
No, it's
that's
Safari.
crashing.
It's Safari. Definitely.
Okay, yeah. Then Safari's crashing, not your internet itself. Like I'm sure your Wi-Fi is just fine because else that'd be a whole nother problem.
Yeah, I got AT&T, baby. We good.
But it does. But it's weird because it also kicks you out of the Discord too. Does it close all the programs?
Report to Windows Server, translated report, full report below. Process Windows Server 382, path, system, library, private, framework. I don't know what any of that means.
Is it close? It closes your Discord too, doesn't it?
Yeah, it closes everything. So it's the computer. I don't think it's the internet. I think it's the computer.
No, it's not. It's the computer. It's closing all the programs. That's weird.
Yeah, everything's closing. They close everything.
Void said, done for the week. Thank you for the stream, gents. It's been a pleasure. Tipping the barber, heading out. Appreciate it. Thank you for hitting that like button.
Appreciate you. Take it easy, man.
If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all hit the like button. We got 31 people in the YouTube and 2 people on the X. If you're watching it on the X, just come over to YouTube real fast, hit the like button, then you can go back to watching it on X.
Yeah, ain't no like button on X, man. Ain't no damn like button over there.
So you can repost it on X though. Hit the repost button if you're on X. That'd be awesome.
I believe I shorted this market. I'm gonna be mad about that all day. What did I bro? What?
Here comes Valdez. I don't know where.
I cannot believe I shorted this market. I won the first. No. I won the first trade. The second short was not ideal. I shorted 18,012 or something like that on this little quick push down. And yeah, I was in profit. Like I was on the 5-second chart and I was in profit for about 5 seconds. The market was like, you better stop playing, Hobbs. You know where you at. You know where you at. Yeah. Nah, I'm still up on the day from last night, but I'm in my other account now. Top Step X did not go well.
As long as it looks down.
Hey, Top Step X did not go well at all.
Chicago Sean says search engine. He says, Brent says, I know we're getting close to you guys leaving. Would you go over the tape before you go? Sure.
Oh, yeah, I got you.
You got it?
No, you can go over it because my tape is still loading events.
Oh,
okay. Of the crash.
All right. So I'm gonna do a quick quick overview of the tape real fast. However, I did actually make a video going over all this as well. So but since you got me here, you can ask questions.
When did I even get short? I'm sorry, Justin. I'm over.
No, you're fine. You got short on the double top, which actually wasn't a bad short.
No, but I'm looking. No, it was a bad short because of where we were in price. I should have been looking along this market right there easily. It was an easy money too. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead, man. Continue.
All right. So to understand the tape, you got to understand how the market works, right? So there's 2 different types of orders. You got limit orders and market orders. Your limit orders are the orders that are your your passive orders, right? Where you just put the order and you wait for it to be hit. And then your market orders are your aggressive orders, saying, I want to be filled right now. I don't care what price I get. I just want to be in the market so I can catch this move, right? So,
oh dear
God. The book map shows us this heat map, and these heat map that you see, these are the limit orders. So the darker the color, the more orders there are. And then this is the current order book, as you can't see it, but it says current order book when I hover over it, and this tells me how many limit orders are sitting at the price. So you can see that there's like 122 limit orders that keeps moving because somebody's got an algorithm that just moves these prices. But let me see if I can't find one that's I can't. Okay, let me go to ES because ES they normally rest. So on ES you can see right here there's 308 orders sitting at 5110, and on ES the orders they rest more. They don't move them as much as they do on NQ, so it's just a little bit easier to see. So those are limit orders, and then the bubble shows the aggressive market orders. So people who are trying to get in right now, right? If it's green, that means that there's more buy orders in this bubble than sell orders. And if it's red, then that means there's more sell orders in this bubble than buy orders, meaning the market's going to come down. And essentially, all we're doing is we're watching the tape to identify certain levels, whether it be through limit orders, or we're looking at how aggressive the buying and selling is by looking at these bubbles and how big they get. The bigger the bubble, the more buying or selling there is in the bubble. So yeah, that's like the basic overview of like reading the tape. It goes a lot more in depth, but yeah, that's pretty much what we're looking at when we're looking at the tape. So oh wait,
my soul is going through some shit right now, man. I'm watching this rip. I'm like, yeah, God, what was I thinking? Gee, falling wedge. What? Let me go to my heart. Let me go to my.
That was a nice.
I need to know exactly where I got in and what the heck did I see? Show fills. Okay, let me see.
Wait, you can see the fills on Top Step X, or are you on?
I'm on Trade of It. I'm on Take Profit.
Oh, okay. I was about to say,
what? What were you? Okay, this is old Hobbs right here. We don't do this no more. We don't do this.
No problem, Brett. Yeah, watch the video. It's a good one. It's a banger.
Bro, when I show you where I got short, you're gonna be like, bro, what?
This is the second short you took, right?
This is the one I lost. Yeah, the one I won the first one.
Yeah,
which wasn't a bad short. The short I took was at 18,004. I think my thought process was again falling in love with what already happened. Right, so 18,004 is where I got in. The market came down to 95 and was like, "Shut the fuck up, you." The market was like, "If you don't stop," but if you just look to the left, there was no reason for me to short that. Like, I literally shorted at the 50%, headed into the 50% of the previous structure. That was just a clear mistake. There was no excuse for that. Like that trade has to go away. Sheesh, that was
really ugly. About to go to.
Bro, can we just get one slight pullback? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to short the market. I apologize. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Don't leave without me. Valdez, you ready to go to the moon, baby? We got another at least 100, maybe 200 points to run. We gotta come back. They gonna come back and pick us up. They gonna come back and pick us up. We got plenty of time.
This is the retest right here of that high, that lower high on the 5 minute. If we break this, then yeah, we could probably expect us to go all the way back up to the high of day again. But if this fails, I think we'll test lower prices. So we'll see.
I don't know. I'm just trade what I see. Not gonna wait for pullbacks. None of that. I'm just gonna trade what I see. What's in front of me is what's getting traded. Bump that.
No, I definitely agree.
Music got me crunk.
Oh yeah, I'm still showing the tape. Facts.
I told you people don't like the tape. We gonna have folks.
That was Brett. Brett's the one who told me after asking about it.
He said you still have the tape up. I want y'all to lose viewership.
Yeah,
people come over here and they see the tape and they be like, "What, man? I don't know what they read over there." Like, oh, it's just
imagine
chart,
if we only traded off the tape alone. They'd be like, "What are you watching?"
I mean, Rick does. The people come and watch him all the time. He trades footprint charts, but I mean,
does he have candlestick charts up when he's trading too? I think he does, doesn't he?
No.
Oh damn.
When I mean, anytime I've seen him, yeah, I don't really be seeing a candlestick. He don't even know how to use TradingView. I asked him one day
because he uses Jigsaw.
Yeah, I was talking to him one day about like crypto trading. I was like, yeah, man, just go to TradingView. He's like, he was fumbling through it. He's like, yeah, I'm sorry, man, I don't even really use TradingView. I was like, what? I don't think I've ever heard anybody say don't use TradingView. Like, I've never heard that. But yeah, I mean,
I still think facts. I still think only using like footprint charts and not a candlestick chart is very impressive, in my opinion. Because I couldn't live without at least having some type of candlestick chart.
Yeah, I would. I mean, I think it's different. I wouldn't really say it's impressive. I just say it's different. It's definitely different than what the traditional way of trading is. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Now looks like we're gonna break over and continue this uptrend.
Yep, with no pullbacks. This is a get in where you fit in kind of day. I could have just bought the top and still been good. I could have just bought the trend and be like, all right, we're good. Jeez.
All right.
What's up, Pippi? Bro, I'm sick too. I cannot believe I missed this entire rally. And then I tried to short it like a genius. I can't believe you was on demo. You having a much worse day than I am. So thanks, Pippi. What? Yeah. Yeah.
Because you trade off Tradeovate, right? Or not Tradeovate, Trading View. Yeah. Have you ever thought about getting the mobile app for Tradeovate and trading it off there? That way you know the difference. No, I refuse. I refuse to use it. I'm not gonna lie to you.
No, I have not.
I downloaded it. I didn't use it though. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I feel you. I don't like the way that Tradeovate charts look at all. I don't like manipulating them. I do not like them. So I feel you. Nah, I feel you. I don't blame you. I don't know if you're in the building, but shout out to David C, brand new Discord member, just joined. Go ahead, hit him with the board, Hobbs. I don't know.
Oh, we got a new member. Welcome aboard.
Shout out David C.
Welcome to the shop family, baby. Welcome to the shop family. The Mac of books. Yeah, I got you, bro. Hang on. I'm trying to take it. I'm low key trying to short this market if we fail right here. Hang on. Did you get it? I know y'all don't like the idea that I'm about to try to short this market. What's up?
Did you get it reloaded?
Yeah, bookmap. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm watching the chart, and we're definitely looking like it. This is an area where I would definitely entertain shorting the market. If we get above this area, then I'm gonna leave them alone. But that recovery was bullish as hell.
It definitely was.
I was like, ooh, I thought they was about to come down. I was like, all right, come on. If we fail here, though, I'm definitely going to be looking to short this. I want to see what happens up here at 50.
Oh, we're above the 50% on the day, so they ate up 50% of that drop already. Dang, that's nuts. Chicago Sean said, it was good watching you guys, but I clearly need to rewatch Dave's videos. I'm down on the day. Hey, it's all good, and yeah, man, it's the weekend, bro. So it's perfect time to go back and watch his videos on the weekend. I'm down on one account as well.
Yeah, me too. I mean, it's the $4.50 account, but you know, it's still down. I still took bad trades.
I think I'm down on my $50 account right now. That I
the one you paid 50 for? These bulls have no chill, bro. Yeah. I'm sorry for even mentioning the word short in the market. The market said, man, you better shut up and get on board of this uptrend. Yeah. Oh, the pullback? Yeah, that was a nice pullback. Any type of pullback, man. I really like shorts up here. I'm not gonna lie. I really like the idea that we could dump up here. If we get above here, we're gone. Yeah, if we get above here, we're gone. Like, I agree with you. If we get above here, it's Audi 5000.
Oh man, have we?
Is this VWAP on the book?
Yeah, yes, it's VWAP on. Yeah, they're in sync.
Yeah, I feel like this is VWAP. I can just tell by the way we're reacting right now. I feel like this is VWAP.
Yeah. Okay. We've officially changed character on the 5 minutes, so this is going to be extra specially bullish.
I don't know if I'm giving up on the Bears yet, y'all. I don't know. Call me crazy. Call me crazy. I think this is the area where they might come down. Nope.
No, I think the Bulls are back.
You don't shut up about longing this or shorten this market. We're about to go absolutely nuclear right now.
Yeah, I think they back. I think they want all-time highs.
Yeah, they trying to come right back up there. Jeez, good call.
Oh, yep.
Good banger.
Yeah, they back. They back.
They back. They serious. All right, y'all. They serious.
They are not playing.
Hold on. All right, here comes the sizzle then. Let me know when he gets stopped out. Let me know when he gets stopped out so I can get in. Yeah. Anytime you start saying that, I ain't gonna move my stop stuff, that's when the market be like, oh, really? What about if we do this? Market be like, oh, yeah? What happens if we do this? All right, let me look at this on a lower time frame. I'm still interested up here. I'm not gonna lie.
For the short?
Mm-hmm.
I don't blame you.
I'm very interested. You shut up. I don't know about this one either. I'm not gonna take it. If I take another short, I'm not gonna be able to look at my journal and be like, well, see what happened was. No, I already know what's gonna happen when I look at my journal. My journal's gonna be like, so at what point did you know you had effed up? Was it here? Oh, see, man, I'm telling you, they coming, bro. They in here. I just don't know if they can last, but I'm telling you, they in here. Get below the low and see if we retest. I'm coming in hot. 56 is my area. I just want to see us break this low. I'm telling you, they in here, bro.
That was weak. Yeah, I like it. Huh?
You feeling me? Or you against me?
Nah, I would short the market if we can break below 36 and put in this head and shoulders. I like that.
Yeah, like just a pull back into 56 is what I want. Like drop below the low and then pull back into 56.
Yeah, I could dig that. I could dig that for sure. I like that.
Sometimes when you're against me, you don't like to tell me. I gotta ask.
No, I wasn't against you the entire day. I was with y'all.
I told you don't speak that junk into existence, bro. The market be like, so what happens if I do this? You should have took your profits. Let's see. I think this market wants to come down.
But every single time we sell
every
off,
single time we try to sell off, we find more buyers though. Screw it. I'm gonna just capitulate. Yo, we gotta break below 36 for me to be interested. Otherwise, it's just time to get long again.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Here it goes.
Here they go again.
Switch over to the 15-second fast enough. That might be
15 seconds.
Huh?
So you don't need the 15 seconds. You see that shit. You see it on the 1 minute.
Well,
you see it. I know you see it.
Now one more time and then come back.
Oh, I'm tired of they in here. Bro, Valdez, I'm warning you right now. You've been warned. They in here, bro. Let me check the stocks. What is the stock market doing?
Probably rallying again. They got to be rallying, right?
I don't know.
Oh, no. I'm sorry. I meant they rallied up only to dump. My bad. I'm sorry.
Yeah, this is a lower high being put in on everything.
I'm not gonna lie, but I'm starting.
Are you warming up to me yet? I told you they was in here, bro. I told you. I said, hey, they in here, bro. Like, don't get fooled by this rally. The market going down, bro.
Is dirty.
Look
right
at
now.
I'm telling you, they in here, dog. Like, I see all the buy-in, but I'm telling you, I'm looking at the tape and I'm telling you, the Bears is here, bro. Nope. Wah, wah, wah.
Eat it back up.
Don't fade it, bro. I'm telling you, I'm reading this tape, bro. I'm like, yo, these Bears is in here, bro. Do not fade them.
That was a VWAP projection.
Yeah, bro. That was serious.
We about to put in a head and shoulders on the 1 minute.
I just want 56. Just come back up to 56. That's all I want.
Yeah, why are you? Oh no, you're a little bit higher than me. Okay, I want 51.
Just yeah. I see what you want. I mean, I want that area. That's all I want.
Facts.
I just want that area. I don't care what the number is. 56 is just a reference point.
I really hope that they don't test 39 and drop from there.
They're about to drop. I hope you out by now. Yeah. I was like, I hope you listen, Valdez. We're gonna pop back up now.
You just got short, Valdez? You got short right there at 28.
I want to see us pop back up and retest 44.
Yeah.
44 through roughly about. Yeah, that's why I was like, bro, you need to get out because these Bears is in here. Look at NVIDIA. Look at the lower high we just put in on the 15-minute. We failed to get back above the high. This is a failure by the Bulls. Switch! Come back up here. Come back up here. Are we just going to retest the structure and go down? Which one you want to do? I don't know which one you want to do.
Yeah, that's what I don't want. I don't want us to come back up to 38 and then decide we want to reject there.
I'm cool with it. However they want to play it right here. I'm locked and loaded.
Ooh, NVIDIA coming down. God, Microsoft hasn't stopped selling.
I don't think we coming back up, G. I think this is it.
I kind of agree, unfortunately, with your thesis right now that we're not coming back up, but
double bottom right here. Maybe we double bottom and come back up.
On the 15 second, it looks like we're about to put in that inverse head and shoulders. I'm hoping
that's what I mean. I'm hoping we do, but I don't know. I'm willing to jump in if we don't.
Just push back up to 51 or somewhere in that area.
The tape don't look like we coming back up, bro. I'm in.
Nah, that's a good short.
I'm in. I'm not waiting on that retest. That junk may never come. Right I'm looking at the tape. I'm like, man, retest ain't coming, bro. we're dumping from here.
we just broke the low of that 5-minute candle on that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what? Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Good trade.
Not so fast, says the Bulls. The fuck you thought this was, bro? It's so uncomfortable being in shorts. It's so uncomfortable. I swear, please don't take me out so fast. At least dance around a little bit so it doesn't look like I'm incorrect immediately. Go back down, Bears. Go back down. Come on, take her down. Apple's selling down. NVIDIA's selling down. Microsoft is selling down.
Yeah,
Amazon is selling down. Meanwhile, NQ over here like, but we could get a couple more buys. Shut up. Go down.
Nah, as soon as NVIDIA breaks below 39.89, you know, it's game time.
Yeah, if was a fifth, we'd all be rich.
What a nasty bounce on ES.
Come on. Don't. Oh my God. It's so hard to short this market. Look at these Bulls.
20-point move.
Bro, they done took me out already. Today, I'm about to close shop. This ain't the day today. Lord have mercy.
Look at that bind coming in.
Come on, bro. I'm about to log off. Yo, like, what is happening right now? Oh my God, bro. This
could be that
this
could be that exhausted move. I'm gonna try this short if we get up to
so I don't get fined.
I'm gonna try the short at 51 if we get back up there. Put in that head and shoulders.
I'm still convicted in the shorts. I just think that my entry was stupid. I went off the tape instead of structure.
Don't you do it, market. Stop. Oh my God. I just know I'm gonna just don't FOMO into this. Don't FOMO into this.
Yeah, bro. Don't do it. I think we still. It looks like the market wants to keep coming back up.
Oh my! Look at these
bulls, bro. Like, what? Are you kidding me?
Exhaust. This 5-minute candle. Oh wait, no, this is the 15-minute. Oh god damn, this 15-minute candle does not look pretty. Current one, 6.5. Okay.
I think we want down, bro.
Yeah, I'll just. All right, put in the head and shoulders right here. This could be the head and shoulders. Just come up one more time. Oh baby.
I'm gonna just wait for 56. Look, they coming buying this shit up again.
I'm gonna try it right here. And they want to continue buying. All right.
No, I'm gonna take it at 40.
I know, but I saw something on the tape that
it's new information though. Like look at the lack of buying at the high right there. You see see 39 and you see 44 right there. This is a head and shoulder. See, shoulder, head, and then another shoulder, right? Mm-hmm. What we need is just that continuation down. But every time we try to push down, the buyers just keep coming right back up. That's why it's so hard to short it. And then the structure is back to the upside now. So it's like they're trapping shorts to go lower. And that's why I was like, I'm just gonna wait till we come back up to 56. Because if we come back up to 56, I think that may be the area where the market wants to cool off at. But right now, it's so hard to be a bear in this market. See?
Yeah, I was seeing a potential head and shoulders right there. Like Hobbs was saying, I looked at the bubble. I was like, well, that's not a lot of buying, and that's not a lot of buying. So it's like, let me take this short right here. And I like that wick that we got on the 1-minute candle as well. I still like the wick that we're getting now. It's just, can the bears continue to sell this down? That's the question. And the answer right now is a resounding no.
Yeah, I think the market wants to come back up. Meta's turning back around. Nvidia's turning back around. ES is flipping back around. Everything's flipping right back around after just
right at that
so
damn
bearish.
Whoa.
Yeah, everything's flipping right back around.
I'm still by my entry. Push. Okay, if you can just break the low, that'd be great. Thank you. Nope.
Yeah, these bulls ain't giving up nothing, bro. I'm not shorting this market ever again. Ever. It's just so uncomfortable. Look at how uncomfortable it is to be in a short, bro. Like this is so I was so uncomfortable when I got short. I was like, as soon as I get long, it's like, go.
All right. So you don't want to break down, is what you're telling me?
It's so sporadic.
I should probably get off the 15-second.
Yeah, but you shut it down and you walked away. Ooh, Justin just caught a body. Ooh.
It's not over with yet. We got to break below this low at 28, or it's not going to matter.
Yeah, nah, it's just a red day, bro. It's fine. Yep. Yes, sir.
Oh, there was
yeah, they was in here, bro. I'm telling you, they was in here. But the bulls keep buying it back up. Look, like every single time. Bro, them things, they selling a lot, bro. That was 158 lots, and Apple's coming down now. That's what I mean.
That sweep is always concerning. We just broke both.
Take your profit.
The little fairy.
He said, "Take your profit."
The little
run away, Justin. Take your profit. They in here. They're back. They back. They back. Nah, the buy-in looks weak up here. I'm not gonna lie. The buy-in looks super weak. So I think you're good.
There it is.
Nvidia reversed. Yeah, but look at Apple. Look at Apple though. Apple's coming down.
I think this could. I think we could get down to 7. I'm targeting 974 on this. I think we can get down to
I
there.
think we're getting lower than that.
You think we're getting lower than
that? You want to tell me? You want me to tell you where I think we're going?
Well, wherever you think we're going, we're probably going there, but it's probably like 200 points away.
I think we're going to 8. I think we're going to 864. 885 or 864 is where I think we're going. If we failed here, this tells me that we just reacted to this demand zone. And when we come back through here, we're going to be looking to go to 885 because 885 is the daily 50% on the Fibonacci. So if we don't bounce right here, because remember, this is 1 minute demand right here.
Yep. I'm
so we could potentially bounce right here, but if we don't bounce here, we could be headed to 885 because the trend is down today, right? No matter how much of a bull you want to be, the market's trying to go down today. So if we don't bounce here and we just flush straight through this level, look at the 15-minute. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh. Justin, what's your entry?
38.
Oof. He beat me.
You said I beat you.
He beat me.
I took the early entry when I saw that.
Well, I had 40, but they stopped me out at 45.
Oh.
They stopped me out at 45.25. So I got back in at 34.50, expecting a push down. I just want to see this 15-minute candle close below this structure. Come on, stop.
Yikes.
It's so uncomfortable being a seller. It's so uncomfortable. Like, I don't even know why I'm selling this market. Why did I listen to Justin? Why did I do that?
This was your idea.
It was 100% my idea. It was 100% my idea. Just don't come all the way back up. Please stop right here. Stop right here and I'll be happy. Stop right here.
We change characters.
Oh my God.
The thing about the shorts. The thing about the shorts today is like you have to be willing to sit through a massive pullback for this thing only to go lower or take profits. Yeah, or that.
Come on. We're absorbing liquidity. We're just going back down.
This should be another dump right here.
I don't even care, bro. I'm red on this account today, but this is my last trade, win, lose, or draw. So I'm gonna hold this thing to the banger for the banger or bust. I'm liking what I'm seeing on the tape. I like everything about this trade. We're just absorbing a lot of liquidity, so the pullbacks are massive.
Yes. Well, because we got to break through all that structure that we just created too.
Yep.
On the way up. But I think 945. We could be coming for that weak low down there.
Yeah, my stop is at break even. I'm not in an intraday trailing drawdown account. I don't care.
My stop's at break even as well.
Yeah, like let this thing go. Like either come down or come and get me for break even. I want to see what happens today. It's F around and find out Fridays, baby. Where you get the tape reader from? Tape reader? Bookmap. Just go to bookmap.com. You can get it over there. It's pretty easy.
It's $90 a month.
Yeah, Justin's short at 38. I'm short at 34.50 right now. So trying to save my red day today.
I think we're gonna
come down. I think we're coming down to 885. So let's get it.
Yeah, if we break that 90-minute demand zone, it's gonna be a problem. We got to break through this 1 minute demand, like you were talking about.
Ooh, let her come down, baby. Come on down.
Stopping everybody out.
You should be. You should be, because you were warned. You were warned exclusively in the Discord. I warned you. I said, I'm telling you right now. I said, I'm telling you right now. No, he got in early, or he got too late. I got stopped out too, because I got a better entry than Jay. But careful here, Jay, because this is the sweep of that of that 1 minute area here. So
yeah.
But
good point.
I got stopped out too, but I said, screw it. I'm getting back in because I like what I'm seeing out of everything. Look at Apple, man. Apple is coming down. Apple's breaking through the previous day low. And if these stocks keep falling, this market's going to fall with it.
Yeah, I just moved my stop down to 24. I'm just moving it down with the swings. As soon as we break the low, then I can move my stop down with the next swing.
Yeah, F that. I ain't moving nothing. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm definitely.
I mean, I still think we're coming down. This that 1 minute rejection was dirty. We're gonna break.
I'm just watching the stocks. As long as Nvidia keeps selling off, and Apple keeps selling off, and Microsoft keeps selling off, Meta keeps selling off, like we're not coming back up. No, we'll come back up. But the question is, do I get stopped out before we come all the way back up? Matter of fact, I want to sell 90% of my position. That's what I'm gonna do. I always feel better when I do that. The next drop, I'm selling 90%. I'm in 5.
You in a mini?
5
10 micros? Oh, 5. Okay.
5 micros. 5 micros, baby.
I just know you've been crushing those 10 micros.
Well, I usually start with 5, and then I trade the 10 at the end of the day. So the PM session is when I trade the 10. I haven't bought the 4 back yet though, but I'm about to.
Oh, we're coming. We're coming all over these charts.
Whoa, pause. Whoa. What the F? What just happened?
Y'all know you like it.
Yeah, for real, bro. What the fuck?
Y'all know you like it.
Yeah, F is wrong with this cat. I'm buying a 4 back right there. I'm out of 90% of my position.
Yeah, I'm a little slow on the draw.
Don't get greedy, bro. Don't get greedy.
4. Nah, I just bought 4 back too. You right.
I was about to say, don't get greedy, bro. It's okay.
You're right. I took it because we swept hard.
I did not like that. I said, no, sir. I seen this movie before.
No, you were right. I took it.
Not getting house today. I was a little
late on the draw right there.
As soon as I started to sleep, I said, nope.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Because this is where I would look to buy the market right here. If we get above, I'm out. If we close here, I'm out.
Yeah, I got it. The protected high at 24. I got 1 contract left, so I'm perfectly cool with closing this 1 contract out. I'm up to. I secured 252. So.
Yeah, whatever 90% it was right there, I secured that. So I was up like 320. I secured 90% of that. So whatever that was. Yeah, I put my stop at 2750 though.
Yeah. Oh, you basically, put it
basically all the way up at the protected high at 2775.
I put mine on the body of the candle.
That was a nasty pullback candle though. I'm gonna need y'all to stay in trend.
It was.
Need y'all to get right back down into the trend.
Not only that, but Nvidia also.
Yeah, Apple just caught a bid right here. They about to run. They about to, bro. These bears just, y'all weak as F. Y'all weak as F right now. F. I tell you. F. Weak AF. You know what's funny is I drew a big white box down here to loan the market. And then we came down here, I was like, nah, let's get in these shorts. It's all good. I secured 90% of my position and my day is no longer red. So whatever. I'm done trading today. God, I don't know how I skated through Friday today. Whew.
Yeah, it looks like I'm going to be
it's
a Friday green tough. On 2 accounts.
Sheesh. And I kept fighting it, right? We kept.
Come on. Oh my God. Are we going to survive? Are you still in? Are we going to survive this pullback?
I don't know. Don't look like it.
I think we might survive this pullback.
I don't know. I don't care. I tell you one thing.
I mean, I don't care either. But
it's gone. I don't care what this thing does. If it goes all the way down to 785, like I think, it'll do it with 1 micro. I am not adding. I'm not doing. I don't want any more pressure on a Friday. I just want to enjoy my day, eat some beef salad, leftovers, hug my wife, get her some, go pick up my child, and just hang out. That's all I want to do. And I escaped the red day somehow. But if this prints, it's definitely not going to be a red day.
Yeah, I think this thing might come right back down. I think this might have been the pullback.
I think the market wants down, but I'm just hoping that it doesn't come all the way back up to 30 before it does it. But this 1 minute demand zone, if it holds, it could take us all the way back up. That was a double top up there. I'm hoping that we just crush through all of these structural areas here. Sheesh.
Yeah, it feels a lot better to just take that 90% off.
Bro, sometimes you get in love with the potential getting all the way down there, but you don't have to. Like, just get out of the position and say, okay, I'm out of the position. 90%. I protected my capital. That's my job. Your job is not to be correct all the way down to the bottom. Your job is to protect your capital and get the F out of the market. Extract out of the market is our job. That's it.
That was everything a good place to take profit too, based off of what happened.
And I said if we come down aggressive, I'm taking profit right here. And we swept, and I said I'm out of 90% of my position right there. Because that's the way you're supposed to take the profit, because that's where you would want to get in for the long. Right. Yeah. So most people are going to be buying right there. That's where I want to sell to. I want to sell to them.
Yeah. No, you're right. You're right. You're right. 1000%.
Just keep practicing that, man. Because if you start practicing the other stuff, that junk it'll get toxic. Yeah. You'll never put no real money in your pocket. We got 7 minutes left in this 15-minute candle, and this thing is looking deadly. But if it stays beneath, let me see where 50% of this previous candle is.
I'm literally like 3 points away from being stopped out for this last contract. If this thing doesn't,
I'm about to move my stop to break even and just see what happens. Because I don't really care about the extra money, but I'm looking at the 50% rich. Yeah, I'm going to break even. I don't really care about this runner, but I'm looking at the 50%. On this, it's at 29.50. So if we continue to push, then so be it. I'll take the little break even hit. I'm still up on the day, even if I take this break-even trade.
Yeah, the other thing I like about Top Step X2 is it tells you what you've already secured on the day.
Yeah.
So it's like, I'm up 252 on this account. So if I want to give back the $30 extra, like, oh well, who cares? But we shouldn't break above 27. 27 should hold. If it doesn't, then
27 was where my stop was at, and based off my history, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to tap 27 and then come right back down. So
yeah, you're probably right. There it is. There's the 27 tap. All right, now time to fail.
Not looking at the tape and NVIDIA. Oh my God.
Time to fail. Fail.
Oh Jesus. It was good knowing you, brother. It was good holding with you. You know what I mean? Like,
you better stop with this obituary stuff. We are not done.
It was good holding with you. I'm gonna go ahead and tap out here at 33.50, securing 1 point on a runner. Oh my God!
I'm securing 2 points on this runner.
I'm out.
No, come on. Hold the line. Hold the line. Okay,
somebody so adjusted my screen and show him what NVIDIA is doing right now.
I saw NVIDIA. I know.
We got yeeted. All right, that was fun, ladies and gentlemen. Secured some profit. Had a little fun with the runner. It did not work out well.
That runner ran straight home.
Yeah, that was a look. The crazy part is this is how engulfed in the day I wasn't. Like, my focus was completely off. Let me show you guys something. I don't know if you guys remember, but I marked out this trade a while ago, right? A while ago. Where the heck did I mark it? Oh, right here. So a while ago, I said, okay, we broke above structure. I wanted to see what would happen when we came back into this box, right? So let me present this screen before I go and tell you. Fridays, my brain just wasn't there today. Look at this. Do you guys remember this? If you go back to the stream, go back about an hour, and we about to come down now because we came all the way back up, and then now we about to drop. Are you sure this again? I'm still not sure this again. That was too uncomfortable.
No, I don't trust it after we just rallied like that back up. I'm okay. I'm good.
Nah, that recovery was way too much for me. No, thank you.
Watch this thing proceed to dump.
So I had this trade set up like an hour ago. I said, all right, we come back down. We broke above this structure. We come back down here. I'm going to look to get long down here at 18,000. bro, we came all the way back down here, and I was shorting back down to it, which was a good thing. I should have just secured everything down
all
here.
out, and then
we should have got everything down there.
We need to learn how to hit that exit and reverse button.
Facts.
If we would have hit that exit and reverse button, that would have been
reverse and clear, bro. That would have been a perfect entry. Reverse and clear. Now we going long, baby.
Yeah, we need to learn how to hit that button because that'd have been a fire.
But anyway, I'm done trading today. I've had enough fun for 1 week. It's been an absolute pleasure hanging out with you guys. The market literally came back up to both of our entry and freaking I hate the market. I hate it here. Bears. I hate it here. Why can't y'all be strong enough just to go back down, bro? Like, what is this?
They had to pick up more. Oh yeah, we about to flush. We about to oh my god. Here it comes.
I hate it here. Oh my god!
I would have got. It came straight up to my entry though. Even if I was at completely break even.
My original entry got hit twice. My original entry was 40, which makes me believe like the market's like, yeah, you want 40? Cool, that's a great entry. We'll be back to it in a second. Give us a second. We'll be right back.
All right.
The Bears are here, man. Be careful with these shorts, guys. I mean, with these longs. Wow, what a day! What a day!
What he say?
Who?
Emmett. Wait, y'all don't do that. That's how I super scalp. Just
no, we don't. Oh, he reversed and clear. we were kidding. No way I'm doing that. I'm never doing that. I don't do that.
He said that's how I super scalp. That's wild.
Right. No. Ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be it for us at the Trader Shop, man. I really appreciate you guys coming and hanging out. Friday was fun. No red day over here. I haven't had a red day in the entire week, knock on wood, right? But
damn,
at the same time,
I feel like
it's been it's been an absolute pleasure doing it with you guys. I think this might be the long here. Today I kind of got a little off my square, but I had fun. And I'll be back on my game maybe on Monday. Gonna do some paper trading in the Discord. Shout out to the members that just joined. We've had our biggest growth month in the Discord ever, right? So very excited about that.
Channel.
Yeah, and on the channel, pushing toward 800 subs. Trying to get to that first 1K, that's the heart right there. That first 1K, that's real. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the real ones. You know what I'm saying? That being said, Jay, you got anything, man? What you got? Take us out.
Don't. I don't know. I was gonna try to say something stupid.
Justin's really bad with exits and clearing, right? He's really bad with exits and clearing.
Exit,
very bad.
But I mean, hey, at least we came all over the chart. No.
I'm so done with this guy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Us at the Trader Shop. My name is T Hobbs. That guy over there that's coming over the chart is Jay Stills. This has been another edition of the Trader Shop. We'll catch you guys on Monday, man. We out of here, man. Peace.